I wonder what the man did. Leroy!
Oh, I'm here.
Ain't that good news me come to tell you?
Where's it?
Me say me have good news to tell you.
Good news?
Yeah.
Why good news?
About the future.
What about the future?
I'm pregnant.
And that's good news?
What do you mean?
So the good news should be, who's the father? Who's the father?
You. So what happened?
What you say to me?
Yeah, the father. Remember?
How long since me know you?
3 weeks.
3 weeks?
Yes.
I mean not even know your name good.
But we sleep together. And we do things together, so what you say?
And you just breed, so? You forgot to use condom?
The condom can bust.
Did it burst? No.
You never sure?
What do you mean me never sure? What that one thing me sure about? Me know when to pull out and me know when when me know say me go to bathroom, everything did intact and me tie it up and flush it. So you tell me say,
Well, I'm pregnant and you're the only man me there with.
I really this you come to come chat to me with this nonsense and idea.
Of course.
Look at me look like me a fool to you.
I never say you're fooling, but I'm pregnant and you're the hungry man I talk to.
Yeah, me I
So
say.
have you be the father?
Just go back in your head and think. Just think for a minute. Take a minute and think if I'm me, I own this money.
You're the hungry somebody. I don't have to think about that, I know.
Alright, here what? Just to be safe, if I say you're pregnant, I don't think it's what I want it. I don't think I want to go through that. Like, cause I'm not ready for no picnic right now.
What do you mean by you're not ready for no picnic?
I'm not ready for no picnic, say I have to flush that out. Dash with that. I don't want, how much you want to mash up my life if you got some wife, they are foreign, you know.
That you should know. So you don't have a friend before you do with somebody else outside.
My girl, nobody come to me with no foolishness. So when you come to me straight. And that me I tell you. You hear me I tell
So
you?
I'm not come to you straight.
No, you
Yeah,
come to me, I come tell me about picnic.
Because I get me pregnant and I want to show the ownership fee, so as me say.
Show me receipt. Show me something. We say you're pregnant. And also show me say I feel me picnic.
You
Yeah?
got doctor and I'm pregnant.
Wait, doctor, wait.
Let me show you. It's like you take me for fool. Come.
Take yourself. What?
No, come look. Look, you see? You show me everything.
So that just say I think it's one picture up on that, you know. Yeah. What? But how much should I show you, Billy?
I worth 150,000.
And the picnic nothing read that the belly nothing was sure.
Yeah, because it's a life and the situation.
Yeah, me I tell you say. Go buy one Pepsi down a Navlet shop and get 2 rusty nails from around so. And something. Yeah? One Pepsi and 2 rusty nails. Just put it down in there if it's soak for 5 minutes and drink it.
So this one.
Listen to me, come out of my yard, man.
$1,000?
Rex!
What is the money out of that can give me $2,000 to go buy a rusty nail and Pepsi? How do you take this thing for?
First thing first, when you come to me, man, you come to me good. Boy, you are breed. You think that's a picnic come? Eh? You think that's a picnic come?
You do what you do, I'm pregnant and I'm come to tell you, you can give me $2,000 to go buy a rusty nail and Pepsi for that your belly?
At least me have sense. Just go on. Just come
Me
on.
no want to
And
see you,
I'm
no.
come back over here. Yeah, remember say my wife they are foreign, man.
That not nothing to do with me.
But I think say me a no fool boy. I tend take me not wear no jacket one enough for me. Any jacket that can fit me. But
So when you plan, look for me a chat to you, my older sister.
My
You have
dear.
no manners.
So you talk to me for fire?
Yes, she reach.
Girl,
Me there, I
Not
was
you no good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Remember me that talk with about the past 3 weeks?
Yeah.
Leroy?
Mm-hmm.
You know, say me go check the man for the money.
Oh.
Girl, you tell me the one talk about it.
What happened?
I check man for 150,000 and guess how much money the man give me?
50,000.
Girl, for 50,000 is bad, not so bad. 1,000 like man give me.
$1,000?
$1,000 front you.
See, I done with man for 3 weeks and man take up $1,000 give you.
Do better, do better.
Me dear.
Do better, do better.
But me not really my God because I'm soon for the next man.
Go find a work.
Work now, work out for me.
What you mean by work now work out for you?
Why don't you go work?
No, you want money. You think no man can ever look at me and give me $1,000? Yeah, idiot man.
But I still money, you have none?
Still, of course me have
Wait,
money in my bank account.
At the bank account?
It's saving, I'm saving.
I'm for the next man, you know.
What you mean by you find the next one?
Yeah, one better one.
Better where? Girl, go and go look for your pa.
No, girl, I'm foreigner.
Oh, where you get foreigner from?
Well, I find out about him most likely say Jamaica and travel overseas and thing.
What you mean by? Girl, go look for your pa.
Yeah, him man have money.
Money where? In one way you say, where Leroy never have money, no how much in you? Not just $1,000.
Me just go ask her if the same thing she tell say Leroy need have money and he take up
I
$1,000. How much
will.
if I man not give? $500?
What you mean by 500? Oh, you too. Turn up. Go, let's go home. Come
So
go
me
your
give me
yard.
attack on our walk away.
Me wish you
Come go your yard. Go look at work. Yeah, $500 US body. Go on, so.
It's like I give my
Go on,
money to
man.
put up.
Me say.
Hooray, man.
boy, Freddy, where you on?
Boy, I'm there, you know, man. If I shop, I come, you just miss Shoppy. Shoppy go and collect him part money.
I want juice, me do want to, man.
You have one daughter, then daughter bad like a yard.
Yeah, talk about that. See, no one know, say. The one ready, come link me around the yard. Want to make me know, say, she a breed.
The one with him Pierce.
She same one. A QQ, me go, you know. Other night, you know.
How
I
much
see
you
her.
getting from
With a 6 Magnum, me beat, brother. I'm see him over there, I'm end up, you know, we drink 6 Magnum and then...
And my vibes.
Under my vibes.
You have to buy something from it.
But you're madness why a girl want to come tell me about $150,000 for dash your belly.
Eh?
Eh?
150,000 for that your wish belly.
Brother, that can buy me a bike, you know, man. I think so, me
Oh, you give him 20 grand.
give him this 20 grand, $1,000 me give him and tell him if you go buy a rusty nail.
And hey,
First
at the best.
No, me not take no jacket one for me, brother.
No, you know, share for jacket. You could have the mind. Yo, let me teach you something. It better you know say you get jacket than you know.
Me not pay them again, brother.
Why?
Anything, any corn me a plant, me know which hole me a put in.
Okay. So, a easy girl.
Brother, you know it, me buy a piece of KFC. You know, can't go KFC buy it.
If I can't fry 2 chicken and we can come here and eat it. Come here 2 legs in the refrigerator over 2 months. You know, so I could fry it and make sure get piece of it. And we just knock it, you see me?
You know, I think so. That's what me do over me out there, you know, but me I try beat the rain, you know. Because I don't want the rain to catch me up in. So, yo,
Do the right thing.
me link you, brother.
I'm going to check her out.
Brother, no make no one try to take a feed that, brother.
Or 2.
I tell her that.
What check her out, man? What check her?
Them little girl want to tell me about pick me. You think me I take no pick me man for me?
I don't lie. I
must
think
say,
the shoppy
yo.
one you want to feed that, you know.
You must say mad.
At 2. Go up the road there.
So I could do me here too.
So why you had no bread already?
That means she just bad mind.
Me not bad man, but he want to do over back. Look on it. You not see.
Go use scissors and get yourself a buzz cut.
It would have fit you,
Ball do that fit you. Cause you didn't have a hair much.
right?
You know, so me not like Kuno style though. I
So
don't like Kuno style.
Why?
So hold on, what you doing sitting here on roadside?
Mommy, right here is called bamboo tree. We're chilling. Over the yard is hot man by your pan now.
And then I have nothing in the yard for do.
No?
And if I find something for do.
Oh, I find out if
Idle hands make devil work.
So if you sit down here, so devil's work where do?
Anything can happen.
But no.
Anybody can walk past and get any idea.
Then I
Which
get no
idea?
idea.
You see a brad there, nobody not do nothing to it.
Yeah, and the night, you know, you afraid too much.
Oh, on the nighttime things happen.
Yes.
So where now go? Where now come from?
No, we just a cool out, cover yard hot. And your fan mash up in now work properly. So just a go and cool out.
And look how you sit down, eh?
So
Your legs open to advertise anything.
You know, but there's nothing.
Hello, you don't know what boys are looking at.
No boy, not. You see boy there? Me not see none.
Back answer me again.
Me not back and say, me just a
Chat
try
is in
to-
couple nights. Then you hear who could do me now all this stuff. Sit down,
true.
man. You chat too much. Sit down back. Take a seat.
So what you really depend?
You know,
What you really depend today?
Nothing.
I don't think that I want.
Nika, where you depend?
If I'm 2 foot then.
You know, even depend that right you know.
That's the thing.
Nothing. I don't want to know where the pan right now.
So where are you coming from?
Just
What
talk
I was
now, why
doing?
don't you know how much? Talk, man.
I me tell you where I come from. We fella she go look for your boyfriend.
No. Wrong way to put it. We were walking together. I see, we stopped up here. She went down there, and she go look for her boyfriend down there. We were up here, not right here, but right here. And she did go down there.
Boyfriend for the what? With boyfriend. Before you take your book.
But not gonna be.
Your education is the key. You have your exam, them a come. Eh? Where boy now go nowhere neither. Boy now left the earth.
Them are done. So if you catch on before them done.
That's true.
So what, you want to catch disease too before it done? You, let me tell you something. You disease and belly now coming to my house before time, you know. So know what you do. If you take belly, or you take disease, or you take what you know for take, you not coming to my house before
She
time.
said she go to her boyfriend for money to dash her down. So you must come start that one.
That's where what? I breed you the breed.
No, mommy?
So how you can go to boyfriend for dash your belly? A sex you have, little girl?
No.
Then mommy think about it. If she go to him for money for dash her belly, and him give her $1,000, then they must have do something. Why would I give her money if they never do nothing?
Oh, a woman your turn. A woman your turn. So you take man now.
Then go on him a take man.
Okay. Okay, so me see. A woman business a go on. So a breed you breed?
No.
Okay. So a man you take.
She say a scam, she did a scam. Still.
Hey! A scam memories, little girl.
Con.
Can artist.
So, let me ask you something. When you con these people out to them hard-earned money, eh? You know, feel say recompression going come brown.
How's that no man?
It's a real jackass, Mary's.
Serious?
God.
Yeah, it's too.
But let me tell you something here and now. Belly and foot and arm of disease are nothing better alone. No. Now coming to my yard, yeah? And picnic belly and picnic now coming to my yard before time. I want a book for take education and look for better on yourself and work on for look about man and con.
Education not gonna work.
95 now work out neither. If you bang your line.
If you can man them, that I go somewhere.
So hold on. A thief you be.
No,
A thief you be.
no.
A thief the two and no be. So you in the con too?
See, I go say yes.
Me no know. Me never call nobody.
Not yet.
Me I talk to them as my daughters, you know. Why you not before you go school and finish your education, do your exam and get a good job or start a good business. Couldn't have brains. When I have brains and I use it for the wrong thing.
Job now run when mommy was
So why you not start a business?
No, me afraid.
You always a pre your nail then. Why you not start a business?
Me how you start one? You can
man
them.
I told you have to call them to get the start up money. Come,
Yeah.
let's go home.
Anyway, we are go home. You can't give me $1,000.
Go get it from your sister. She says she nah do nothing but con man. So con your sister and get it from she.
Give me
And
$1,000.
me lose her phone, no, man.
Lower
No,
grab and
no.
she go buy a Pepsi with rust in here. Come. Come, girl.
I want me to forget them highlight there. Cha. Them highlighting your earring. Where's that head?
Ready to deal with.
Nothing, me go there.
Yeah, I'm big friend. So where we go?
Nothing.
How's life?
Alright.
Life alright.
Hello, sir.
There, mama, you look at me so.
Come in and like how your close close. You can step away from my daughter, you know. Give her some ear. You know, need to talk so close to her. You know how old she be?
No, I'm looking for a friend, man. She tell me she's 18. So, I'm
She not 18. She not reach 18 yet, yeah? So give her a little breeze. She's still a child. She's 17. She not reach 18.
So far, 18 from 17.
Far enough.
No, so just right around the corner, 18.
She not reach there yet,
So I'm
sir.
not even a look her, man. I'm looking for friends, so we can't be friends, so I'm about that.
Yeah, like a drink and a smoke and everything.
No smoke, but water is
So
Yeah,
me I
probably
smell
with
rum off for you.
from done, man. I drink a rum for a morning.
So that not good enough for my daughter, yeah?
Good enough for your
Me
daughter.
no want my daughter pick up man that smoke and a drink and you probably rub out your hand middle too.
So you have to say, so what wrong with that?
No. Like from this she start do it, no. Me I try, me is
No,
a
she a
single
smoke
mother.
already, you know. She done smoke. So any girl say bore up their ears, bore all their navel, all their
She
tongue
not-
them bore. They know say they gone through the gate.
So hold on when you do this.
What do you mean with this? They see most in the living. Here I'll bleach out, so you don't see a big enough girl, but you know where go still watch her navel bore up. We can ears them.
No, sir.
Make
So
you
a
show
big,
their tongue. You gone through the gate.
a big woman you really turn.
No, we don't say big woman. She a young woman. Young lady, so what wrong with that?
A big woman you turn.
I just piercing and I do nothing.
It not do nothing. It not do nothing because you not do nothing here. Well. When they go up at the yard, you not come up for at least a month. You're under punishment. How me never noticed that?
My dark as a fool, them also.
I must see the darkest for
Yeah,
true.
weary, you know. But I watch that.
Tell
man.
me, go man, Pammy.
Mommy, listen. You see, you had Chiawi and a 3 different father, right? And now you one with the Chiawi.
So
Leave
obviously
us
a 3
alone,
different
make us
nature.
strive.
No, continue make us try.
On the strive, yes,
Listen.
but not like this and not before time neither.
Listen, we have to try for we own.
When in the turn, big woman.
But we are big man.
She not big woman yet.
I wonder why we
Not reach 18 yet. Me I
How
go
far-
deal with her.
How far she live from 18? How much months or how much weeks? Or
Nobody
years?
worry about countdown. She not 18. Me will report you to the law, you know.
Me to it,
Me will report you to the law. And I make me report you to my family
Kind
neither.
of family, she passed 16.
Hey, she not reach 18.
Yeah, that's a while ago. You say a while ago. But a 3 of them, 3 different father now go on.
Mommy, remember, say 16 is the
3 different
age of
nature. You hear that?
consent.
3 different nature too.
Okay.
Hey,
Remember, say 16 is the age of consent. So if she want to take man, she can take man.
You do something, Shorty?
The one here how much?
You do something?
No, me not do nothing.
The one here how much?
why, hold on a minute. Let me tell all of you something. While you under my roof, and me responsible, no. Me is the government, yes, sir. So 18, and she not reached that
So
yet.
hold on, the one here how much? I'm talk so big and bold.
What you want me to know about to them
Alright,
age
the
for?
one me
A
I deal with.
catalog me a
You
keep?
say the one me
A
I deal with.
catalog
This-
me a
this
keep?
Empress.
auntie, just listen to the auntie. Things can be better, life can change. Life can sweet like a sugar and honey. It's easy yourself, man.
No, sir. Me would rather batter with my picnic them. Me batter with them so far and them turn 3 beautiful young ladies rather than
they keep on
sell.
and batter with them, what you think they gonna do? They gonna go out there and do the wrong thing.
You see, when they reach adult and then come out to me yard, then them the response.
So we can't tell somebody can't take out shit out of your yard right now.
Oh, somebody did right. I look here, look my daughter, my child.
Try to say something, so what?
I look here, look her when she's a child. She not reach that age yet, here.
But she not child, she's 17.
Under my roof, she's a child. I beg you to just turn and carry on. You have a good day. You have a good day, here. And now when you see me picking them, you go to the east and make them go to the west, here. Cross over the road. Go long. Go long. You know, see this one for a month.
You know,
hear me I look here. How are you today? What on? How much money run now with you?
I'm come see man, sir. Buy my wife for my weed and stuff.
Yeah, but they're right here, so do.
Some for them.
What is that say?
So what for them?
Yeah. What on?
Okay, I'm a bit. Drink water at night.
What on?
They tell me, when you come check me, see me, I go on easy and whatever.
What is there? No man down for the road, so I'm going to see me come back home.
I feel my right. Respond go feel my no. I'm getting like my done.
What you mean, like my man? I don't understand. What you mean?
Wait, say comfort. So you come become customer for a man.
But nah, what you mean argue with your brother?
What attitude for? Just tell you saying I want good man dad.
Oh, I don't want good man, but when they are letting your money do and I help you out of your problem, you never know, say I don't want good man.
I never asked him to help me, you know. I never asked him to help me.
You're ungrateful, you know?
Me ungrateful?
You're very ungrateful.
If you ain't never dead, you don't help me none at all.
So
I just you make you help because I want to stay with you. He have to help because he don't want nothing much of you. I try to love you for me die, but I want more.
Me I talk to you and you play dice. Listen, stop that because at the end of the day, you're my bigger brother. Are you supposed to help me instead of my man if I help you? And you come and talk about lessons.
I'm your father.
You're my bigger. Oh, me your mother. So me your mother now.
No. Any man there with you, they have to have money.
Oh, but anyway, okay. So my man have money. The money where am I give you?
And that's why if you have money, so when time say your room, money, you have your show about money.
Don't piss me off. Yeah? Don't from you know you're careless. Imagine at least my man can go up at the road, go look work, and I work him hard, earn money to come take it and mind you and feed you. While every day you catch up a bar, watch the bar even whole opinion. You know they drink rum and a smoke. That's the only thing you go for. You don't go look for work.
So may I ask you a question? So you tell me say you live from the way for your yard. Just to come in to go in an argument with me. What's your problem, girl?
You know what?
What's your problem?
You see, as from now, you see any problem you have, you keep it to yourself or you go thief. Because guess what? You see, since you don't like my man, you're not going to start the things for you, you hear?
If me come check him and say, yo, what a special man about buckle money, if you don't give me, you don't know a torture already.
What a torture? What a torture? I hears me that with my man, you know, and I hears him mind you, and you're a big man,
no
know
boy
that.
Can't mind me. No boy no mind me.
Oh, years him mind you. Who give you money for buy them here? Who give you money for them, remember? Extortion.
What you mean?
When you want Sunday, you never know say what extortion. When you want dinner or evening time, you don't know say what extortion. When you feel like give me the money to cook the food, then when you come home, come here.
No boy can't do with my sister. And can't give my money to buy my weed or my rum. You hear that?
Careless. You sound careless. Because tell me, which big great poor 30-year-old man want next man to come mine. Them you careless. You don't realize.
Listen, man. You have two types of scamming here. You have the phone scamming.
Oh.
I have, the next scamming there.
You remember this, you know? Remember this. You see the CM. Though you ever cost and will feed you. Know that. Because they say, what they bring your woman there, and my clothes them, and my man take care of me and buy me, and then you give your woman to wear. I mean, feed you and feed her for the whole week when she there. Remember? And my man give me the money for buy. You see me nobody at work? Him couldn't do that. You're careless.
I'm happy to do that. After that, I got what? I'm after
that. Yeah, man. man. And him a grind your woman too.
Well,
Duh.
woman.
Him a grind. So all you want my man to take care of your
Well,
woman.
let me tell you something now. You see me, you know, me no have no papers together, you know.
You know, the people say,
What the people say,
well, I see, as from today then, since me left my man, I'm tell you what happened. You say, anytime I want something to eat, don't come around my yard. You understand? You say, anytime I bring you one bag of girl them, don't come around my yard. You ear clear. You say, anytime when you want your money to go to your business, don't come around my yard.
One year, but different yard, they know about a different house. So you tell about yard, they can't
Don't
tell you yard.
come around my house.
Family, them yard,
Don't
they can
come
burn
around
one
my
yard. You
house.
can't tell me at neither.
Family yard.
We can't make neither.
You really
Our
make
people
your
in
mom
place
say
that
that job out. Remember, so when my man come the day, remember the one bedroom you have to stay there with you and mommy. I him bill it, give me. So all you want to let my man was start with me or build me.
Find a better man have more money. Cause it's
Yeah,
a one room I can
and
more
people
than
like
buckle this time.
Uno, make people like a Uno. Make people no sorry for people. You see you ungrateful. Know what that yeah? That's why I like black people.
Me
Ungrateful.
say, let me come back look more and see. I thought over there there.
Come on that come my yard. Come
Me
have
say-
some hot piece around the fear already. So come on my yard.
That if I hear about gas and see that.
We don't guess.
About gas and
You
acid
feel
that.
like the street I'm a bigger brother, I don't want to lick you in your face, you know?
I hear just know what you do with your finger.
Who you have a gas?
Don't me have a joke in my
My man have a gas.
Hey, no child size when me come from my back money a little more.
Alright.
So don't ramp with me.
Don't worry. Come here,
Don't
come
worry.
and tell him as my man come. Me I tell him. You hear? Don't worry yourself.
You must have a medium job on here.
Don't worry,
Badness
Jawbone.
meeting
You
there.
have to go out road go eat today. Don't worry yourself. You see me come
Unless
around
my
here.
badness
Come
water
around
down.
and come around for ask you where you want to eat, you know. And you went for
Say,
class, my man.
Unless my badness water don't let it run.
Don't worry yourself,
ramp with
Mr.
me. Go and make
Jawbone.
them know
You
say
shall
you're back
hungry
little more.
tomorrow. You hear?
Don't argue with
You
me.
hear?
Alright,
You shall
here.
hungry. You alright, you know? You shall
All with
hungry.
man. If my back arm already look buy a little more. I torture. Oh. The armless. Badness me deal with.
Baby, where you come from?
You know, so down there, some go look me better do.
Over bar, no so?
Yeah, and you
Ah,
want
dirty
hear
club, you know,
him.
man.
Well, you want hear him, you know. Him a talk about how much left you, and how you know me going to peer things him over there talk say.
The ungrateful dogs, you know.
I tell him, say anytime when him hungry, him have to come back over me yard. I tell him.
You don't know what me think them might eat.
Him no must know. I want him
You
bring him
don't know
woman.
what me will put Carmel in a rum game and he never get up back.
I
You
want
know
him
that?
bring him woman over there where they my clothes them share wear. I read me just confront him about him a go talk about oh, we go find a man who have more money and be things over them attack.
That look at dirty, ungrateful boy. I say, you see, when me did that tell you, say, no. Me don't feel like say two of them come from the same home. Right now,
Say
that boy are more worse than Annie. Me I tell you that. Him are more worse than Annie. Get it?
You don't say that.
Well,
I'm a
you
brother,
might
you
not
have
say
to
that.
remember.
Even Rosalie better than him. Look at Rosalie. When I married Rosalie 100 times.
I don't know how job wanna go work out, you know, because him no want look work. Him a really, and him a go talk about oh, what him say again, I don't remember. Yeah, him say make sure him come to him back liquor money, you have it. And that him say, unless you don't know all the badness. And that him down there saying, class, but that's class, you know.
And that thing down there say, after me clear one bill down a shop and just $5,000 worth of rum. And can't find the money and I me pay. And that him I say,
Job one turn cruff, so job one no want work. Every day him
I
job
do me there
hard.
with you know. I know your brother, you know.
And
Me
then
not
I
there
just
with
tell him
man.
I want to go, I'm for find a work, I'm
Me
doing
not
your
supposed to
stuff.
feed man.
I don't nobody disrespect nobody what I do. I
I'm
done
a
the job
talk
one.
you have walk up there. You give the machete and then come out there making choppy yard.
I don't want him back at my yard. Him not a manners, a pay class, him down there class. Yo. And this me for this, him a walk where I want to go. I don't want him down there. Remember some bigger than me,
Let
you
me tell
know?
you something. Top with them feather there. You know, like see it, man.
I come
Every
just,
look for you, me just feel the cool breeze and fight. So stop wear it. Then they mash up your beauty.
I want me just back come out of yard because you say you're going to work on. I'm going to see
Look
him
more
dead down
than
there. So.
recognize you, you know. I
Oh.
just through your shape, let me know what it is you. But your face, when they wear them feather business there, you know, work out you will blind you.
You not bad.
Stop follow the young girl them and wear them sitting there left
How
feet.
where you go?
Down there to him. I never them they all go in a shop, me I go in, but me I go over there go tell him one thing, you know. And one thing only. When it's me and you, it stay far from way.
Nobody go put yourself in a problem for job one. Job one don't work. You know, say job one a crap. All the thing man for do, I drink come and rub out him and make him even want to look work. And me I feel Get job one woman clothes what you put on.
The shit no far from the, what you call it? The shit not too far from the block.
So
Yeah.
what you say? As my father is say.
Huh?
What you say? As my father is say.
So your father is here?
Yeah.
No, me not recognize your father. Me I wonder if I try to understand because you know want to go look up neither.
Me I come go up in the yard because it come like
All you want to do, I eat and sleep. When me didn't know you did thin.
No, it's like everybody
did
asking
thin.
me today now. Everybody want for class.
If your brother was a sister,
go
if
away
your brother
yard
was a girl to
me
me,
I
big like you.
me I go away yard because you and job one will not gonna make me sin today. Go away yard go. You're alright.
Look when we up on the road to me now. Did they? Any man have a woman and then we short without them. An idiot. Me a real idiot with you.
Can't come back to them time and paid. Everybody a piss me off. My dear, but see ya. Top link. But boy, you nice and clean, my friend. What go on? So come out of the sun, you're going so far. You want to keep social distance. What go on?
Things upgrade. How I pray now, cause.
My sister, things upgrade. You look good though. Speak for me now.
But with that, come here, you know, again.
You look clean and some from the last time I see you. So what go on?
So I think I'm still a go stay. When I stay.
I want to see the bad energy. My friend, I can't buy me one burger.
Man. I don't bother with that. Because remember when time I did one thing, you know, first time I never really upgrade yet, you know, you never they show me no energy. So right now, I know why they can't tell me nothing about no burger.
That's a
Listen,
long
man.
time. Listen to me now, man.
You never want me touch you, stop touch me now, man.
A long time that, you know, and we are talking about now. Present. You know, I'm going to apple on my eye, baby.
Listen to me now, man.
So you're going so far?
Right now, here's a lemon to my eye right now, like a sour lime. Zine, so I don't want you two to come push up on me.
Stop going so man, because you know you still love the killer.
Listen to me,
Stop
man.
going. So you don't want me what you don't want me now. I'm
to me,
look
man.
nicer than I'm look what you.
Listen to me now, man. You see that man there, why I buy you the burger them, make you put on so much weight. Because I say the maga, you know, for your maga, I like you and teeny, you know.
I'm a little idiot man that told me there on your mouth. You don't have to worry about him. And you me want now. You
never like me because I pay a little tear close me.
Even I like you know, look you look nice and fresh. I like your glasses.
So no man, just come see and stop assault me, no man.
Candy Crush.
Listen to me.
Me assault you.
Listen to me. You see your things change and now I know you want me. That's why they say what goes around comes around.
Alright, so I could be friend or something. Because a long time I see you know, we're not supposed to roll saying I'm a G.
How you see me when you have so much other man seeing in your eyesight? What
listen, I'm not seeing other man in my eyesight. How you alone me I see? I tell you something I really want like an idiot man. How you alone me I see?
Crush up me.
So you deal with me so?
You crush up my expensive suit.
Expensive? And that's why I like it because it's expensive. Just look at the number and stop going so hard.
Listen to me, although I can't really see without my glasses. Listen to me.
I like your glasses though.
Relax. Expensive. Money talk and bullshit walk right now. Here. Let's see if you want to talk to me. You have to put in an application. Like what you used to tell me first.
What kind of application? Because you look me, so you put in an application. Listen, I'm not in a long chatting. That's like a one tail. Here, I'm going to tell you my number. Take out the phone.
You come see. The thing the first time is this. Instead of calm your nerves. I'm my money talk right now. Here.
That's why I want. Alright, I want your money to talk to me.
Listen to me, baby.
I want to
listen to me, man. Listen to me now. Calm down yourself now, man. Calm down yourself. And listen to me. Zane, you see the Monday, where they buy you one burger, they not the money. Me are the real deal right
and
now.
That's why
See me down, so listen to me now, man. See me down there, so. Buy a burger, I will burger kill me by a year.
I don't want to.
So listen to me. So right now, it's not like first time right now, me think up there. Pay millions me I make you know. So you have to take my number if you want to get in touch with me.
I don't really have my phone.
Take it in your head because you love man like dog from man. You just never love me because me never too have no money.
This me top link.
This
me because me see you and I talk to you make you diss me.
So hold on. First time when me used to contact you as a good friend. What you tell me? So you put me in a friend zone.
Because them the time them are young. You don't know when people young them do stupid things.
You see right now, me a hype zone. No friend zone business.
More hype you.
Listen to me, man. It's the same like how you used to deal with me. I saw me I go deal with you.
Stop going to man.
So what you pre? I know why you
touch
touch me.
My number.
I know why you touch me when you see me. I know why you to when you talk to me you stay right there. So yes, when you take my number and me I get to talk and I say I can't change you. and rearrange you and put you in one different
Not more.
category. Yeah, we can be my type. One of my type too, because I don't really want it for my personal girl again neither, you know.
Excuse you?
You see me?
Alright, what's your name? Listen, just tell me the number. Because I can't bother with this thing, you know. And with this thing, you got this me for your burger, better me not bother want.
I say whole burger.
Just listen, just tell me the number. Because sun hot and right now, I not plan to burn out more than how I burn out already, you know.
Sun hot like how you are trying to move hot right now. 338.
Mm-hmm.
338.
Mm-hmm.
338. You get that?
So pay 338?
No, I give you first part. I want to know if you get it.
Yeah, 338.
0838.
0838. 338 0838.
Right. Listen to me, man. Listen to call me. Text me first before you call me. See me code them when you used to have me on. Text me before you call me. You see if you text me and I don't really answer, you call it. You call back again like how you used to deal with me first time.
Later, because starting thing, you know.
Which starting thing?
338 what? 338.
0838.
338 0838.
And you see them umbrella over your eye? When you come, one can see you. Eye them good, so just take them off. You hear that?
What's this?
Yeah.
Later.
I'm not too like the black things, so now we're no black when I come neither. You see me?
Later.
Big up yourself, man.
It's all about that stuff, you know. But no worry, I shall fix the business.
Dirty boy. Eh? Yala. Yala. When you tell your sister about me a cruff? Eh? And me are the best man for your sister. Look how she did mad and me put her up on a good level.
Yo, listen man, tell this man. You say I'm a good man, I laugh and I smile at my face. And I'm a baby and sit in my lap and disturb me. Yeah?
How much money I spend by rum? My money.
I'm responsible about that.
My money. If me left your sister today, you're dead hungry.
Why are you that? Dead which hungry?
And then your sister get thin. And me, I mean, your sister now okay though?
Listen man, listen, any boy, they with my sister, they always have their money up. Can you see if money not up?
Oh, that's why you tell her left me, I got deal with a richer man.
Me never say that.
You see, if your sister left me today, I will flourish and put her on weight like a she. Me tell her that.
What do you mean by, where's Savala?
I will flourish and put her on weight. Not like how she look, but put her on weight. Look at my mother. And your sister suck me out too. And you too. Cause you nyam.
Oh, don't play with me. Don't play with me. What do you mean by suck out?
Me no mean that way there. Go that way there. You don't go down them road there.
You do sucking business, daddy. Don't put me, daddy. You're mad.
You know what work? You know what? Me give one record here, yeah? You tell the boss man say if he not get 20 grand a day. What kind of stupidness that? Me put you on a work, you tell the boss man say you want 20 grand for the day. You know worth 5 grand for the day. So all you want 20? Me with the work all the day of my life. Never yet look on a 6 grand or a 7 grand for the day. You want 20?
Tell this man, yo. Tell this. But me a bad boy, you know. Me a bad boy. Oh.
Every bad boy have a inner road.
Yeah, mad. This a boy in a road. Listen, man. Listen. You see this, sir?
Bird yam ants, right? Bird yam ants. When bird dead, who yam him? Ants. So know what you are doing, yeah? Everybody have something at the end of the day.
No boss boy can look for me and give me no 5 or no 6 grand. If you look for me, give me 20 grand, me go complain, me go mumble, me go murmur. You hear that? You see, if you listen, man, I'm telling you, man, if you can't give me 150 pack or 160 pack or over, I want to you, man.
What do you think me look like?
I think it will look like. You see, tomorrow morning, when I wake up, I'm going to check you. You can't give me one buckle. Just know, say, a disaster. A torture.
And you see, tomorrow morning, you come and leave me for your buckle. At that time, I only left your sister and then you can't buy a drink of rum. And you can't buy a cliff.
Listen, man,
that's all you do.
I'm tell this, man. This a community here. It's any boy or girl have money certain way. It's a community here. And you can't show a certain way. Just know see a dirt, brimstone and fire. Remember, you know, man a real bad boy, man a real gringo. You know, listen, man. You show you my sister there, and me come from in a area, and me a apart, and you my sister there. I love my sister certain way. And no one then I can do certain thing no one then. And me make them boy into a circle sometime, you know.
Oh! So you tell me that you govern the area?
No, me governing.
Remember say you love your belly, you know. Tell you take me now, go over yard, go cook some food, throw a gin tonight, throw a rat poison, And put something in it and turn it up and then they come out, they come eat and sit down and eat and then we just follow you go down the lane and they drop down dead and we just
Why?
bring you backside.
Me tell you this, man. Listen, man.
You see you?
Oh, listen, man. You see food. Me no, you know. You see the rum and weed.
Yeah, true.
Listen, me.
You. Yeah,
Rum and weed.
Licky.
Licky with what?
Yeah, man, you licky.
Just make sure I say. But me check your man, you know.
No check me, check woman. A woman to check me. Send your sister come check me. You see? Me no deal with not checking with no man. Not even my boss, me no check.
Oi.
Him have to send my money
You
in
see,
my
if
account.
me can get my back of the morning, just remember.
Check me.
How you deal with?
Check me. I said, fair me
Yo.
flatter you out here like a fool.
Remember say I'm me bringing
Don't say fair.
you know. Fair who?
Don't say fair.
I'm fair where?
Well, I'm pan this, sir. You see, they could have flatter you and say, rob me. And that you know have no sense. You just holy money and just flatter you with this. You see, we could have murdered you, but I treat you my brother-in-law.
My brother-in-law.
The worst brother-in-law
You
we
see,
have.
Blicky tomorrow morning, bright and early.
You're worse.
So you show me a while ago.
Than the police.
Yes, so you show me a while ago have more panic.
You're worse than the police when they
two
get in their
buckles.
vehicle and eat ice cream.
Right, ice cream. You eat ice cream, daddy.
No, you really not eat ice cream, you eat under there.
Under there. One here. Buckle up. Behave to happen to you when you go already. You say no boss no use, you know. Nah,
What
rod.
do you mean?
What you mean by what I mean?
When if you use no condom?
We don't use boss pay a raw dog straight. What's me under my petrol right now? And so you know say beat him going hard.
Oh.
Like a donkey, you know, rabbit force.
But yeah.
Go on now, sis.
What else, sir?
My mom's a foreign idea, you know them style.
Your mom.
I mean a mom this man.
You look so familiar,
What you mean my
mom.
mom looks so familiar?
You look familiar?
Yeah, you look like I see something before.
Where you see me?
I there try picture. I care you, girl.
Sis, where you come off?
Because I see that girl that's somewhere like I see her around this woman over there. But I care
No,
she
you're
not so
mad, you're mad.
Yeah.
Mom's
She
left
pussy
you
out
there.
harder. So where your name, moms?
Nika, my name.
Nika.
Yeah.
You're nice to do a Nika. Where you get that woman there from?
You get the woman from. See him, get her from.
Oh, you start take care of that one you do.
I take care of every man I want to
You must take care of
man.
Yeah.
Take care of every man I have. I'm tea man, I am also.
Take care of it for money.
Where me have for money?
So what now
Tea
go?
man.
Don't do this way you walk go.
Stroll, where I stroll. I want.
Oh, my day I walk up in here. Come on, my man, them never see him from.
I was talking about fear man. So fear boy I want to come like I want to skunk back though.
What you mean?
You mean
You
by
come
me?
again at this, my man?
Bro, I don't have a bar since even I go and easy myself I want to drink up on some style. Fear boy come in there with film bag chatting like say yo, he didn't even know say. He coming out like Kyle too, you know.
Kyle?
What you mean by Kyle? Kyle.
My man? You sure what
And
you
glimpse in his pocket. They want to say boy pocket fat.
I don't believe you because you're a liar. I don't believe you once. I don't believe no. What you do a bar?
What you mean what a bar? My spot
Where
that.
you did at the bar?
You know say my spot that.
Where you did at the bar?
What?
Where you did at the bar?
Me I would there bar?
Yeah.
I mean one day bar as usual, you know my thing come down
Oh,
already.
you want at the bar?
You
You
mean?
say, my man.
Now him pull
My-
up. Remember say we are virgin see but he boy
Well-
pull up and come and say yo. Make you know say yo. I run for your beat and some style cause if you do with my sister, you have to do the right thing.
I tell you about that style. Anyways,
What you
I
mean
will
about
use that
style?
Still. Because you must have used my guy use him and something. So you can't.
I had the Mr. City.
Listen.
I had the
Listen,
Mr.
listen to me before you start talk. Me, I use him so you can name and your woman them can name to and make a food. You say, mommy,
Yeah, you
that
know,
nice fine boy yesterday.
You
You know?
talk about fine boy, you know the right thing. Cause you want to see Kyle where boy have. Me should have half of that and you have the next half.
You work for half. And you are taking don't piss me off. Don't
Oh,
piss me off.
man,
And you
no.
lie down with him.
Listen man, I say any boy there with you know. If they ain't slip, they ain't slide, you know.
You hear your man attack, girl?
You man which boy,
And them
yo,
man you
just
want.
cover your ears, man.
And
You
them
must
man,
know
you,
hoops come
hello,
and
don't
play, man.
talk to the girl. Come over
What you
here.
mean by?
So. Girl, mama tell you something. Here's a woman. You see any boy like that, I'm a brother, you know, my bigger brother at that. But you don't want no man when sister man for your mind. You
Oi.
hear me? You don't want no man where if me and my
Girl,
man
oh,
feed
listen,
him,
man.
him
Listen,
can
man,
him,
man.
can him either. Them type of
Watch
money
out.
you want. In your life, and them a talk to yourself. Girl, come on. Look how you're nice. Shake up your folly gongs, girl. Look how your shape good and listen to
Yo,
me.
I'm saying, you know, play thing man, you didn't my friend. So
Then
you
him
talk
talk to
about.
us, girl, go look a better man. Him tell me that yesterday. You need to go look a better man now. Cause this I can't mind him. I still stop mind him.
Stop mind who? You not mind me. Me must say I bad this me deal with. So if you want your man to
still
give me a
stop
thing.
mind him.
You
And
know,
if
go
you
work.
stop my name, you're going hungry. Because guess what? You see, if me not feed this year, you see, if me not feed this
Oh,
year,
man,
and I'm a bigger brother, him supposed to feed me. You see, if me not feed him,
yo, stop it nice. I'm
wife
gonna slap you in the face.
bite
You know,
him.
babes, come in. Don't get ready,
Slap
go.
who?
No, you.
Girl,
Man, I'm
me
gonna slap you in
tell
the
you,
face. Your
Come
face,
on,
you.
come on, come on.
you want
I'm
to
tear
better
man,
than
yo.
one good
Let me tell you this, man. Listen,
Listen.
man.
Sit in our yard.
Me say,
Alright.
come
Yeah,
on.
come on, continue.
Yeah, alright, you know, sister.
Baby.
Oh, where you come from?
Me feel nice.
Where you
Me
come
feel
from?
nice. Eh?
Don't touch me. You know
feel
where I come from? Up a yard.
You
Me I
cook?
come from.
You
Me
cook?
cook? So the car where you up a bar has paid. You know you want something to eat. Listen to me.
Who tell you that?
Me just go up a yard and look for you. And I see my brother and one little girl where I see a woman up there so. And the two of them me say, them see a bar with woman and spend big Kyle and spend pan them all. So me deserve big Kyle. You listen to me want to take care of me. I deserve the big Kyle them.
Well, one about them feather they now, them feather they are fool you and fool your brother.
Oh.
You see me a flash big Kyle?
Yeah, flash big Kyle. A fool that take me for.
No, baby, I don't take you for a fool. I think you're a fool. I don't take you for a
Papa,
fool.
you really fool that take me for.
Me say, I don't take you for a fool. I just think you're a fool, baby. When would I want that? Me not take you for a fool.
Okay, that is very nice.
Eh?
So, me up a yard and we a payo and you there a bar with big Kyle as pen pan girl. Me hungry. Me want clothes. Me want everything. And then you ask me cook.
So
Listen to me.
Let me ask you a question. Right? One little birdie on the road tell me today, say, you have me as a big clown and a claffy and an idiot. I just use me. And I yam me out here and your brother. While me I walk, you lay down in the yard. Nah do nothing.
So you listen to little birdie.
So sometimes me come in and me have here wash your jars. Cause you can't wash jars. See there? Me don't know who I call you.
No, I remember that call me. So hold on there. So you listen to little birdie. And your little birdie you lay down in a bed up there?
No?
Your little birdie up there, so little birdie I wash your clothes and I cook food for you. Okay. So
Hey. Back up. When you talk about cook, don't put yourself in that, because you and your brother can't cook. The last time you cook a salt, me get sauce of salt.
Sauce of salt.
You and your brother, Lord of God.
You yam the sauce of salt. You yam it.
Me tell your brother to cook rice and peas. And me say, sinky peas. When me go in the kitchen, see me the fat them.
And grateful. But I'm not that. When it come?
Then again.
Remember, so I can't cook. I want something to go eat. Come. You're there para spend Kyle pan girl. May your woman will live in your yard. So come now, man.
What that's for?
I want money. Come. I want money. Money I want. So come now.
Listen, man. I know you need money, baby, right?
Don't touch me. The money I want. I don't want to hear nothing from you. I hear that you take me for.
I buy you that gold chain for your birthday,
Gold
right?
chain, the fake gold, you want it back?
It don't really matter whether fake or not.
You're
ungrateful.
Ungrateful? So you work after me suffer with you, and you go work and then now you spend your money and I scale off with another woman, and I miss suffer with you, Papa, really?
I'll be honest with you. You want me to be honest with you?
Be honest.
Last night, when me had do what we do, right? And me enter. And they push me in, me slide in too quick, so me I wonder if you go do something before you can link me, that's me slide in too quick.
I'm going to do something, I'm going to live with you. What time I have time to go do something?
Somebody I go there.
Something nobody
Remember
like. Wait. You know when things wet, it easily go in. Listen, we're not talking about that right now. We're talking about the money you're talking
So
about.
why never easily went? When back then, when time me and you alone was together.
I never wanted them time. They come now, man, the money.
Oh, so only when you want it to wet.
Come now, I'm hungry. I want some pizza. You're there, shop and scale off with girl and left me up there hungry.
Burger you want again?
Yeah. No, I don't want burger. I want seafood.
Seafood? Yeah. Seafood? Okay, baby. Me and you walk go down on the beach, right? We're going to get a container. We'll get some seafood.
Baby, we're going to catch some seafood.
We'll catch fish.
Catch?
Yeah.
I don't want to catch fish. I want to go up on a seafood place. Walk up on a seafood place, up at Flag City, up at Senani Grill, and I want lobster and shrimp, so let's go. Because you cannot spend money per girl, come on, spend money per me.
Hold on there. What you say, what?
lobster and shrimps. That me want. So come on.
Lobsters and shrimp. Better yet, come, we are going to rascal cook. Come,
Me not,
no,
me
go up, sir.
me can't come. Me no
Me
want.
cook. Go up, sir.
No, me want.
Me-
Me tired of food.
Me
Me tired of food. Cook
me
food.
have chicken bag.
Me no
Treat
want
that as the lobster.
Alright.
Me have
You alone gonna make chicken back. Don't worry yourself, yeah? But me tell you this. You see any car where you spend pound then, girl, make sure you have it forgive me later. Let's out the door you asleep.
not even Aunt's body no look like a few. Your body shaped like when time guinea pig wow. You know. Alright.
I wanna say there. Come get a look for you. You know, see me I call the phone. I look at him and know which spot you stay. What going?
So I pray now.
There.
May you look so empty.
Come on, something for you. I feel for some seafood. Feel for some lobster and shrimp, huh?
Sure. Tell you least, man. I'm empty, man. I have one black crown, so. My general place.
I have a favorite seafood place and I can bring you there.
Listen to me, man. Remember, say I'm a businessman now. Me know a real deal in there. Ever hear about blood business place?
Now I know about Flag City.
Upstage around there, so where I go. When I blood, upstage, go and go up the
Upstairs.
steps.
Okay.
Upstage, come here, carry up a 5th floor. Zine,
Okay.
where you talking even have good little 2 floor, much less 5th floor.
No, on the
Zine,
big side.
so me carry you up on the top, feel like a skyscraper and eat them lobster there and sit there.
So
See?
come look at me hungry, my belly
Watch you pray, we are
go.
going to blood business place. We're in a general upstage. They say I get the right seafood boil. Come know I come here next place, gonna waste my money, you know.
Alright. And look at you that man I have up there. He didn't even make no sense. Me just time I want to see when I come to both come cook chicken back.
Yeah, listen to me. So when you come around me, you not talk about no man with that eat that sensible. No man you not talk about around me. You hear that?
Come now, cause I see some mouth why me hungry.
Right now, if I come and even know how much problem I in right now, you can't tell me about if you come. Listen to me. What we say where you go?
Upstage.
Why-
blood,
why-
blood something. Some blood.
No come blood something. Listen to me man when I talk about the general.
You say blood?
Business place.
Blood business place.
Up where?
Upstage.
Which floor?
5th floor.
Go ahead. But it cock up like a...
Boy, rumbar mad in the dog. Watch ya. How with that, sis?
Where you are go? You ever drink? You
I
always
mean
drink.
by me ever drink and ever drink. Remember say my name bar tea man I mean
Bar tough. That's
bar
the name.
tough. My name like call bar.
Bar tough. You name bar tough. You be right. I fit you up. Where you go? You
Me
ever
me I
go
go.
somewhere?
I go back down the bar because money don't me go for some money and come. Watch ya. How this?
Top link.
Why new man this?
New man.
How old are you, ta?
I'm a brother.
Look so.
Yes, me dear. Look so.
Why
Bad dog.
yes me dear look so you say dear thing on the dear thing now sister.
Alright, I'm a
Tell you say
brother.
dear thing now go work man I'm tea man.
Job with me topic me job with my bigger brother.
Listen to me. When I meet man,
Oh.
woman me meet, which is you.
Come here my sister, come here. You say pocket deep and next one pocket.
Ask him, me can't ask me.
What you mean by ask him?
My brother
Yo.
want to ask you something.
Big man.
Axo,
What you mean by yo? I'm tell you this
my
man.
badness.
Then come and smile sometime, come and drink, me love smile. If you hear that, but what you know, no, man,
Call me rough top.
I don't care what you want, call rough top when they eat. You hear that what you hear me I say?
Them type of
You
people
see my
that eat
sister,
me.
you're mad and puppy man. See my sister?
What?
You see any man, they would
What
admire
like that,
sister.
yeah?
Stop a nice man, may I talk to him. Any man they admire sister. Then pocket up your healthy, you hear that? Me say, boy, I love drink, man, I hear that. I say, can't do. Watch it. No, no, come, call business.
Me here where
Mom to you.
me here where like a book. Me here like a book in the island, man. Where I say bad dog?
Me say, see if you have money can support my drinking and some style. Can't do me stuff too long. You hear that? Watch out.
Listen to me, dog. It. So now look upon a man like me. We not played people. You see it? See your sister. From me broke my want her.
From here, bro.
Listen to me, man.
See you active or now?
And she a grown me thing.
Me say if you're active or now.
And right now, Every plate down here that she have to wash it.
I don't respond about that.
What you style?
One show, I'm say if you have it or now.
You come and say you can talk about rum. Me tap drink rum.
I say if you have it or now. That me say.
Hello, me ya come over, come here come go up, cause this is the yes or this me, you know. So me gonna left your place.
Yo,
Yeah,
dog
come
it.
over.
Yo, dog it. Listen to me out.
They won't go and buy your business, now me hungry, something I buy for you, me now. I want it, yes, sir. Come, not a link.
Want him here?
Me want you, come go on, and wait about what's the plate them.
Don't put me, must say you want me run the place, you know.
Yo,
You
dog
throw
it.
my name Smiley and Jawbone back right
Yo,
now.
man, come see no man.
Why you listen to John and foolish, I'm tell him I'm hungry.
Yo, listen man. You can't go on man.
Yo,
We
dog it.
about again, me kill
You
him,
listen
man.
to Job on junk.
Jawbone jump no ramp with me, my sister man.
What you
If
putting
he
on, man?
pack in a deep like the first one packet, he not
me
gonna
and
work.
it,
You hear
come.
that? Don't holler and put
Come
something.
here,
Say don't
me and
make
it for
box with the left hand with the right
Back
hand. Don't play.
Not because they're my bigger brother. From what you made a lick in your face in a job and stop them fooling self. Why you
Put on
see
your
people
finger.
you want to embarrass me?
Put on your
I
finger.
want to tell you.
Say put on your finger. When I
Dog it, what you pray? Give your sister some money.
Jawbone my name.
Yo,
Jawbone, I hear that.
dog
Listen,
it, listen to me. And give your sister a piece of food so you can buy some clothes.
Okay.
Take a shave, do your hair. Look like somebody picking your zit. So
Come,
do
cause
that.
this man is my brother right now.
Can
Yo.
talk to me here.
Listen man. See money I give me sister.
Brush your bad dog.
Brush
Yeah.
you happy by
I'm
me
not
can
joking
them man. Me
business,
plan
dog.
can't find you man. Take
Go
time,
on,
go
cause look
hear
like
that.
you
Yo.
love. Put yourself in a
What you
problem.
mean?
Go on down.
Yo, listen man.
Go
Yo,
on in the yard.
make
Come,
your man
come
say
here.
me a
Come
plant here.
Come here.
Why you just me so far?
Me say make your man say me a farm. Hey,
Ah,
that
wow.
plate man. Me plan can't find him in a man.
Wow.
And rice green
on
na
me
man. I'm
Me I
tea
look
man.
for you, my
Yo,
blind.
Look for me good.
play now.
Then look at excitement here. You know, work with.
Me tell him I'm hungry, stand up and talk to him.
No, listen to me, no man. Can send people go do him things, you know.
Do my brother things?
You have all like dogs, them, you know.
Listen, I'm tapping. Yes, if I
Yeah.
saw me, I go buy for it. You come.
See your brother, tell a brother, when he see me again, he know him, I don't make a give a piece of food, so you give him, so he can take care of himself. Here. Take his time and go on up there, so.
I mean, I can walk.
Time and go on up there, so the man for a seafood boy
Me
place
not
like
gonna
man.
want your seafood. Me a go me yard.
I'm put me thing. Play with me, you know. Money I spend now, here.
Tear up the box and leave everything, so. The bag.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good
mother.
evening.
So yeah, I'm over rubbish from this. So why?
Come here, go get the bag. Yeah, pile everything up.
Oh.
Something wrong with my mats. Batty and bench, where the chair there? Where your sister there?
Oh, Celine.
Where she there?
Mommy, we did up on the road. And we decided to go along and shop go buy something to drink. I see same boy with this stop when I talk
The one
to
up
her.
there, so. You know the one
Yeah.
up there, so.
The black
Yeah,
ugly
yeah,
one?
well-
Yes, she gone with him.
Yeah.
Oh, so she move out now?
No, like.
No, man, she must move out to my house. Come and tell her, say she can't go nowhere like that for a month. And she gone with boy? You sure?
Oh, that a fear, no problem. That a no worst thing now. We were there. How did say we were waiting her. She didn't take too long, so we go over a bar, go have a drink.
What kind of drink you
But
gonna
I
have?
never rum,
Soda,
mommy. I
Pepsi.
never rum.
Pepsi.
Let me smell your breath. And you? You
Soda.
better.
Pepsi. Yes. Two was a she that we say come over a bar with the man. You want to know what she had tell we say when the man flick out the money? Oh no, I forgot lay down with the man.
But see ya.
Yeah.
So we said no, you can't go and go lay down with him. We don't have time for that. And she did
yeah.
play with him. So if nothing, you know, so she getting late tonight.
I saw you go. Well, not living under my roof. As soon as...
Mommy, now we are chop all them stills, but we still take care of
Well, me not pay no light bill like there. Wi-Fi there, me not pay water rate and everything for her for man.
Man too.
Oh,
Even.
good evening.
Good evening.
So where you are come from?
Lie. Where I look for you for?
Who did last for?
I never saw no girl.
We did last. But
I'm
where you
left
walk
alone
and look
them
for you for?
I'm left alone and them come soon.
You not come at your yard if you not see it.
Exactly.
What you did there?
Down the road.
Let me smell your breath. Let me tell you something. You not send me your grave early, you know. Try know that. So try no say you turn big woman in this. Anyone I wanna turn big woman in here. Can more than one impression in this yard. So anyone I wanna turn big woman, wanna chip out, fly out,
Mother,
lift up.
mother, yeah, Empress, me a queen.
Yes.
I really know about them.
Yes.
Yeah.
But this one look like say she want overthrow government.
Me impress myself.
Okay.
I don't see.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'll take your empress self and come out to my house then. Go find the man you pick up. Make him mine you. Make him marry you and mine you.
In the art to come out.
So we still do ya?
But I don't do
Huh?
man.
Oh, what is this?
I know your time.
Listen, three start big man. You contact mommy like say you're not a size.
Maybe leave a little hair start grow up on the coach.
Huh.
That's why she start
Big
feather.
woman now. Let me
Pluck
tell
your
you
feather them.
something.
Mommy, lick it down.
Nana Una send me a dove cut in this. Better wanna come out to me yard.
Me not come out, not come out. Take no man.
And that go for all three, you know.
Who's three?
Me not take man.
1,
so
2,
me not
3.
come out.
Whichever one come as bad. Hey, me the one that pick on Karina this, you know. So me don't know where y'all go with your attitude, you know. And I come in and I size up. So where y'all flex up first? Pan me, I flex up pan. And I put hand pan Kimber talk too. Oh, so you're a big woman. You're a real big woman.
Long time.
Okay.
Dear.
Roll 66. Big woman. Roll 66. You don't know what I mean? Oh, but you're a big woman. Go road. You're a big woman. You can't, Tanya.
Mommy,
Yes.
we're going to lie down here.
All right.
Yes.
Where was 66?
No, which lie down. You're a big woman. Big woman get work.
Sorry.
Someone
Where
at
was
work.
66?
Roll 66 means you roll the 66 out.
Someone at
The
work.
same the 6 that backwards, back the 6 out.
Yeah, this is-
Roll
Me
66.
talking to you. Me not have work.
Me no business with that. Well, to find a place, you big woman. And me and you not turning at this.
You can't stop me from coming.
Send her go
Alright,
once
you
then
change
if
the
she
lock.
not listen. Me not
What
hear.
she say? Me
now.
not
Top
quiet
laugh
here.
so much.
What exactly you say
You
again?
can't stop me from come here.
Hey,
And
little
it was
girl,
here.
who me can't stop do? Eh? Who me can't stop do? You know me a who? You know me a who, girl? Me give you life, I'm gonna take your life. You know, rank with me in a this.
what you do?
You know, rank with me in a this. Come roll 66 and come out to me yard. Me and you now rolling at this. Get out! Hey, me a man. You know, me a mad woman. Me a mad woman, you know. Me a mad woman.
No, send her go meet.
Me a mad woman.
Time early.
Me give you life, I'm gonna take you back.
Oh, not take it. Got to
Talk,
take
put
it.
your hand power, girl. Put your hand power.
Continue.
Look how bad this is done. I'm gone. Until they send me do it. I mean, I wait for them. Like a brute. You know me, I'm a mad woman and this, you know. Oh. When you go in, you lock the door, yeah? That no live here. I told Pitney me have now. Me not have 3 no more. Put that. Who should put her hand pan? She don't know me who you. Look again, who you really put hand pan? Come back, let me see you. Dirty, hey.
Yeah, lock me out for. Mother, open the door.
One of the me and man activate man. You can go on and something you link. Man, come get here. Mad man, the ball me and take on man. Down the right now, the straight. I'll tell you the E, coach, run out anything. One of them more about. Good now, fall. Now it's like yeah.
Who you the on phone with? What do you mean you ask me what happened? Me have every right to ask you that. And me buy you the phone, I under my house you live. Me notice you go on certain ways from it the other day, you know. Like say you're a woman a yard. Me no want you. You know me, you know? My head hot. And me I warn you from now. Me I warn you. Don't make me rise my hand and foot. Cause right now, it the best so. I mean, I want to rise it fully. But me like for one first.
I hear you.
Make sure you hear me. So who you did that on the phone to?
Or a friend of mine and girl.
Make sure you know.
Hello.
Hello, baby. All right. Oh, what?
You can't get money for go buy pad. Period come.
Me not have nothing right now, you know. All right. Tell you what. Go down a gay shop and tell her say you go trust that. Aye. And so that what? So that
31st.
All right. Tell her say me'll cover it weekend. By weekend me'll cover the bill. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Oh yeah, trust.
Woman things.
Oh, so we can get something to
What you want?
juice.
Juice is not essential. Tang day in the fridge.
No tang. Me tell a tang.
You're lucky. Plenty people out there not have nothing like tang.
What that $100 for?
You're not grounded.
That means they might find you some dressing again.
And that me I talk about, you know. And who are the mother here? You are going to tell me what you can do or me to tell you what you can do. All right. Come here. All right. Get a snack, bun and cheese or bun and sausage or something and a drink. And since you're the shop, you go with them. Keep an eye on her, yeah?
Yes.
You go straight to... Supplement which part? Get 3 bun and soda and get your thing too, yeah? And tell Gacy we'll cover our weekend.
Okay.
And you go straight to shop and come back.
Supplement me, I take the soda.
Supplement, tell Gacy me not pay for no supplement, yeah?
Sure.
Thank you. A snack like bun and sausage or bun and cheese or bulla or something and a drink. As in a soda or a still drink. Nothing expensive because you not pay for nothing in here.
Expensive, $400.
I bet you tell if you sit your backside back down and not go nowhere.
Your chest too high.
Get like a mouth.
Your chest too high.
In front of me! In front of me!
Coffee face now, me tell you say I'm here with her.
Me warn you already, you think it's a joke. The amount of time you make me count to 10, because I've gone to 100,000 now. Eh? The next time you hear you ring, I'm a hand and foot me a race to you. Go on. And make sure say you come back. Keep an eye on her, yeah?
Alright, me try.
Shop and back.
Me don't want big man, I do my business.
You want to what?
Listen.
You're gonna make me rise to the occasion, you know. You're gonna make me rise to the occasion. Now go prison for you.
What? Call me with my man. How you gonna
What time I come and this shop at lock?
tell if you sneak out, you can't pass. No time in no.
So I'll go on here, so.
Come, let's go back home.
Shop that boat, you know, see?
Let's see what. Top,
Like-
come on, wait.
What now go?
Girl,
Same
a
block
shop,
up the road,
girl. A shop will go. We come to go shop.
Shop, when you come to go. Shop, when you come to
It's
go.
here we come figure shop. What you mean by?
Man, girl.
Come to my traffic here.
I like me, I say.
What to go?
Traffic, my traffic stop this up. I told her where me on.
Where you are?
No, let me take some money and come back.
Where you get money from?
What no man, you tell me. You come like a inside now. Move like I told her the pan so.
Yeah, girl.
One no man.
So you thought that's how we
Come
fit
like
you?
a crackers in the evening now.
Better while I was going to get that.
Me nah come out here for this, you know.
Come here, come here.
Me can't play Ludi.
Hold on, stop. Let me take me no. Shaman! Stop! You don't remember? I mean, Popeye from back in the days at school, man. Yes,
Popeye from school?
Yes, I mean, this year. I think we see a couple years ago with Billy, though.
Yes. That's a good few years ago now. Good few years ago.
Long
Me did
time.
get my daughter.
Oh, you get a daughter?
Yes, and he did
Nice.
see
So,
me.
you want a man in your life, you know? Help you out with the daughter and thing, you know? You work?
Who tell you say me not have a man? The man just love assume, you know.
No, we man like to defend our rights. Yeah, when we are different, we defend our rights. So when you see a lady like you look like you have money and thing, you know. Although I will take in care of you because I'm the man, right? That's the man's job. A man's job is to take care of the ladies. So that's why me put in a 1 and 2. We matter we are friends back then,
Hold on.
we
Stick
used to
up in a
classmates.
minute. Popeye, me know if you for a long time, you know, and you always chat foolishness from then.
You
And me
remember,
think say
you
you the
remember
grow
when
up.
we used to crush, right, I love you and crush up your paper and show you and lick you. But you not open it, you always a holler, miss.
Yeah, I used to lick you down with it.
Yeah, but
I mean, I like that.
Open the paper, you that he say, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Yeah.
Popeye, you write me that note. You write Clear that note. You write Sarah that note. You write Pinker that note. You write Marlene that note. You write the whole class that note. That's why you never bother open it.
Because God said we shall love each other.
Yes, but me don't want that. Me never want that then.
I am part of I want to be a part of an African man, you know. Have many wives. Yeah, nothing wrong.
The difference with you and them can maintain the many wives. You have to treat all the wives them equally.
No, me have ground. So me have banana in them, me have plant in them, me have popcho, me have callaloo, me have pepper, me have tomato. So we no short at nothing. We not go buy none of them something there. We can cook and live off like breadfruit tree there all around the year. Me have hockey. So we don't have to do all of them the things that we can survive.
So you no need for look me then. You're good.
Really
You're good. I mean, I look nobody. Me have my 3 children them for raise and look after. Yes, 1, 2, 3. You see me with a belly. 3 daughters marries.
Oh Lord! No,
See there now? See there now? You want the car where you can manage the car then.
No, I don't think you can manage the car, but then too much. Especially 3 girls. Yeah, well, you know, really bad to take up a woman with 3 girls picking in. Because then, as long as they're so old and catch 18, they find some big, reachable man and then they maintain me and you. So, not really wrong with you, but when they're young, you take too long and you spend too much money. Especially if you have to send them go to school.
Okay, well, here what? Me not beg you for your money. I'm not even beg you for your howdy. Me might be poor and thing and as butter and I try, but me there now. I'm still there on this side of the earth.
Stop
I give
the
thanks.
battering and come. Listen, yeah.
Come with what? Me never want you when we was at school, so what do you think me want you now?
Because I got money now.
And you come check me when you think say me have money? No, so me no want that. Me no want that.
Me take up one girl, you know, but sometimes to me, I feel like she a cheat for me. Maybe too she young, a young girl, you know. Right? Me, you know, take her up when she thin. Me make she big now. Blow it up. You know when you blow up the big balloon pan the 30.
You breed her.
No! Hey, a Lego water. And I can't see no result. And every minute, you see me a mountain time. I look at stay free I buy. When I say stay free I buy, me shame.
Papa, you the shame one. And you come out the street and tell people say I'm a bare banks here fire. And I come look me no want no blank man.
I find myself shame.
Oh God, hush. Hush, blank man, hush.
And then again, me feel like somebody else are going at it. Because between me and him, I don't chat woman, you know. Means that a man, me not go around and chat people. Because you see, me like be straightforward. Me just tell it how it be. Then, one night, me I go in and I realize that it bruise up. Yeah.
Okay.
So me know somebody a go there. Me turn on flashlight and a mama man telling them about me turn on flashlight tonight. You know?
What you see?
Huh?
What you see?
Bruise.
Rats.
Yeah. I saw me check when my woman never do nothing, you know. You see, if most men did do that, they would have know if they're insecure. They don't know where they stand. Because yeah, some of them women, they think they're smart. Sometimes they go a man yard and they ask the blue soap. They use blue soap when they done beard and wash it up with blue soap and feel like say when they go home to them man. Some man now go know. We know. We not idiot.
Let me tell you something, Papa. You always come out with foolishness.
Especially when you are going there I ain't have to go up further. You know, you just barely touch. You do something else, man. Something have to turn on the flashlight and look.
Oh God. I saw you get used to bun. I saw you used to bun. Me no want nobody look under me with flashlight, yeah?
Why?
Me no want nobody look under me
Me have to
with
see where me a
flashlight.
go. Me have
No,
to see
so
which road.
say straight away, me no want no relationship with you. That's why me no want no
And one
man.
place JPS can't string light. And up on that woman, so me have to carry flashlight.
Let me tell you
Light was-
something. Guilty party always look for accused, yeah? The reason why you all look for accused everybody is because you do it. And me no want that.
Cause
Me
who
not
do it?
chat much, me listen.
And
Eh?
that would then I say for the take me up.
Take up what?
You have some beautiful picnic.
Me have beautiful, me raise 3 beautiful daughters.
Yeah, 3 beautiful daughters. Beautiful.
Yes.
But I want to see them one of them there.
So what, am I daughter them y'all look now?
Me? Oh God, man, come on, Charmaine. If me never get here, you pity them, you get. No, come on, man.
Cause you is a rolling stone, you know. You're a rolling stone.
I don't do kids. I do adults. And no matter of fact, I don't even want no woman. I have me little fatty up a yard.
So we see there now, and you come try chat me.
Uh-oh.
And you have your fatty up. That's why me no want no man, you know.
Oh,
Can you just
mistake.
prove to me some man
Mistake.
a dog, you know?
We no dog.
No, dog have intelligence and dog have use.
If dog did have intelligence, dog wouldn't do things in front of it.
We feel live and learn by
Let me ask you a
animals
question.
them.
You ever
eh?
catch- you
Them
ever-
not lie like a man.
You ever-
Them not thief like a man.
You ever catch a cat riding?
Yeah, watch for that for.
Ah, Tio! Use that as an example. Yes, a man a dog. You, any day, you catch a cat riding, you come adjust me, yeah?
Me no want adjust you properly, you know.
Uno sneaking.
Oh, because what is good for the geese is good for the gander. And the only difference is, you see, when we as women love to give on and ready for give on, we can't manage it because we use our brain. We use on the little head thing for the big head and neither head of work. So go on with the little head and then the big head. Because all man a dog, I mean, I want no man right here at home. Go back to your fatty up there and I try look woman on the street.
What do you mean we use the little head and that thing?
See, you can't even think. That's why when woman give man bunny hotter, because we use your brain and we think it true. We not think nothing true. Go along.
You think I used to this?
Mm-hmm.
Any woman think them bad. Give me bun, make me see.
Oh God. You have your flashlight?
Me not do like a someone that murder them enough. Me a nyam the bun.
Eh, you nyam. You admit say nyam.
No,
okay.
No, wait there. Bright, enough.
Come now. And me one raise me 3 picnic, you know. Me and mother and father, you know. Me and mother and father, come now.
We cool.
Papa, you forget to me, be.
We cool.
Go along with your little head.
We cool. I shame your fart.
It's a shop at Everlock.
Call long, we're going to come friends. How long me call her?
Hello.
Respond
Oh,
to me, man.
shut your mouth. We are taxi it when I say shop like Congo yard. Me no business.
Okay.
Me no see no sense where you talk to.
I want to scratch record. Talk to you, man. Come on.
Why
You know I pre-feed you, I get crumble.
Where you go?
Remember when me a go, me
No,
move
come go
Where
back
we
here
go,
yard.
the bigger one. Me
Good
don't
road.
go to her, you know.
I want to scratch record, sister.
Yes, girl.
Okay, take it.
So you put
Yeah,
up with
man.
it too?
The beat a cookie right now.
Yes, you're a muffin. That's what you can do. The least all can do is wait on her and go home together. That's how we can do.
My dear.
My God, chop lock. I know it's chop lock. So I go on, ladies. Woo! You look hot and fine though. Where you want to come from?
Out of we mother.
No, actually want to live.
In our house.
Where on the house then?
Yes.
Where Bill?
Where is Bill?
No problem.
Me ask you a question. You police?
No.
So you come and question
I
we?
like the vibes, you know. On thirsty ladies,
No.
go for that cup and get some Pepsi.
Sorry, you come and come see cup and not tell me say
Don't
me if
worry
you go
about
for
that.
the cup there.
Take up the cup, the man. They chat too much. Me half hour and a drink. I want to know. Me like. pamper the ladies, them, you know. I do summertime. You
You never.
come on, like, you know, pamper ladies, you know.
But it like a two still. Trying there.
You know, I love pamper the ladies, them. You know. See that drink Pepsi.
But yeah, idiot. Yeah, you could never relate it.
What do you mean by related?
Ah.
We could too.
What happened?
One random man come here offer you juice and you take it.
No, man, good look.
I don't
It's
get
good. Not do it.
What if some Viagra pill crushing there and the two on the honey? What you gonna do?
Not wrong.
Oh, you too. You feel for
Via
my
who?
big toe.
Oh, you know about Viagra pill?
Man, bite the tongue.
Oh, you know about them? Young
Come
girl
here,
like
no
you?
idiot. Me a idiot.
Young girl like you not turn up?
Old man like you. Why you don't know about them there?
Hmm?
Why you don't know about them there?
No, I'm still good.
We
I'm
are.
still firm.
We are.
So-
Your firm for your two big foot them.
You want this?
So I go on. No. Me have money, you know.
Swallow it too.
Me have money, you know. Me have money can go, no, right, you know. Me have Kyle got money, hold on.
Me thirst quench.
I want to do the money there.
But I be a silver me here.
That's what my God want you here.
I don't believe the machine. No, what can I be?
My loaded with money, man.
Run the money. Oh, she come back. Finally. Finally, I come back.
Say Facebook's a big man. Your Facebook son.
No, man, they are going all advice. You know, them are teach me how to play. What you call it?
We did not teach her to play nothing.
No, teach you how to play jar.
So tell me what I just teach you.
Alright, they say if it's truly died, and sit at 6. So they say we can ban double 6 and move 8, right? So they tell me. And the 3
You're so nervous, big man, but you're good. I mean, not come about that, man.
Oh, you're good?
Yes, man, I'm to you, man.
So, girl, where money the way you go for a while ago?
Yeah, man, I know the machine me bring her a while ago, but you know, say machine now function, daddy.
When buy machine I work.
You go to a machine?
Machine now function, bro.
We
I'm to you, daddy.
I understand.
So,
the machine now function too, man.
you know,
So you not get no
where you
money?
come
So
from.
you don't get the money?
No, we have to go up a yard and, you know,
And what?
she go and skin out and some style.
Skin out to what?
Until the machine
I
open.
machine
No, until the machine
open.
open.
Signal come from.
Well, you know where you go already. So, woman bless
Go
you know.
where?
You know, so if you go up there, is an idiot.
Lower, make sure be that by yourself.
Watch my bad man.
Bad man number one.
Yeah,
Buy
what's
no.
the bad man over?
You mean?
Where? You
Ah,
look like
bricks,
one
me a
big
come
food
here.
step on it in a one.
Me could never bad my figure with free front, me dear.
What's it on?
I know you're talking.
All you know for chatting up, cause you have to grill your teeth, them cause them a growth of control, you know. Behave yourself, you're bright. Come
Oh,
shot
easy,
me,
man.
go
You're
down
damn
here.
free front, you.
Look for sellers.
You hear them?
Them alright. Today they don't get no money. Come on here and be go up a yard go.
Me and my little two young thing, them a run, them a have here when I go with.
No,
I mean, the girl, Pepsi, daddy.
Big up yourself, man.
What you do?
Tell you no man, more active you know man. Yeah, the man come and talk up.
Him.
No, left him alone now man. Oh, yeah.
Hello, young man.
Yeah, did no Rasta.
You see my girls them? You see my daughter them?
Boy, from you tell me Philip that him alone you know man. So me look back on them again you know. So me now look which way they go, which way they not go you know.
You don't see them none at all
No,
today,
me-
not
me
even
not
walking go a shop.
No, me not look for them.
Come in know her, you know. Me know her. And she would tell me, say, she a go shop. And me got to the shop and the shop lock. So you don't see none of them?
Well, probably how your great daughter still you know. Probably you not raise him right or something. You're doing something wrong.
Me just ask you if you see them and you come to me parenting class.
No, I'm not giving no parenting class, but I hear that and look what you tell me, say, yo, one time I see them, if you lock me here, if you see I'm blind and you style it. No, you come and ask me about your daughter. So you feel me look out for your daughter.
You there on the road. So me did just a wonder if you see them passing. Me never ask you if you talk to them.
No, so I look out for them also.
Them is still my children.
Still your children. You know, well, they look like a big woman though, cause you can't find them.
Me know me I go do them, but them can be big women, you know. Them is not even reach 18 yet.
I mean,
So them is still children.
they can't go far and go drink no romance until I'm 21.
Exactly, so them are still children. So where them
Well,
there?
probably
Put
go
them
look
back
somewhere
on the
else,
road,
cause I
son.
can't help you right now.
Alright, you know what? Me I gotta deal with them when they come home. Cause me walk up and me walk down and me can't find them. So here what? Me just gotta go back home. Alright, later.
Hello?
One more day.
Anything else something to tell you?
Phone hot.
Something important.
Like what's up?
Peter.
You're pregnant.
What do you mean you're pregnant? The sure say you're pregnant?
Yeah, I'm gonna do your test. I'm gonna feel good. I'm gonna tell so I'm gonna go doctor. Eh?
Much test I do?
2 tests me do.
No man, I have to do 3 or 4.
Right, I'm saying I'm gonna go doctor.
No man, I have to do 3 or 4 tests so you can positive and confirm see your birth be true.
When they say me I breathe now, I'm gonna never use no boots, you know.
Me?
Yes, they know that.
Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Me find birth coat and banana and feed the baby, man. Don't worry.
Baby no want that.
Me baby don't want that.
I'm gonna think more and carry the belly need. I want that shit.
You come check me. You come check me now.
You have money to give me?
You say come check me now. I got a machine again, man. Don't worry yourself.
Brother, you tell me last time I say I got a machine, you never got no
This time
machine.
true.
No, come check me yard, man, another year.
No, me not come for it. I like it to them.
They not there neither. They not
They
there.
there for you?
No.
Alright, me I pull up.
Yeah. Me want 150,000, you know.
Me can't make it right now, you hear?
You have to go find it.
No, me can't make it right now. Right now, we have to do something on the road. Then just call back. You hear that?
At least 20?
No, I'll make do something on the road and I'll call back. You hear?
Alright.
Alright.
Me how good a while ago?
Yeah, here, but
What happened?
you don't know, say that
What's
a fair
going
regular.
on?
Nothing is going on. So.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, mommy.
Hello.
Hi, mommy.
Me think you have
Hello.
sense, girl. What that in your hand?
You know, see? Craving it.
Oh, sorry.
A 150 for him, I mean, cheap, man.
Oh, sorry. I'll come to this side.
Hey, cheap, let me get a pull. Long time in
Yeah, take a pull, mommy. Take a pull.
You enjoy this though?
Yes.
You love smoke though?
Yes.
Hey, got straight to your head though?
Yes.
Yeah, that you love the though?
Yeah.
I done got it all pile. I'm smoking in my yard. I'm smoking in my yard.
Mommy, I burn me
You
here.
want if you got to your head, you know, you got to your head.
You burn me here.
And I bring it in my yard, little girl. I done cigarette in my yard. And when me come in a business, how big a man you turn?
But I craving me and a 150 for, you know, they are cheap.
You see me smoke?
No?
Me not allow smoking in my yard. But you sip and step you not pay for. And I smoke all when me come, little girl. And I show myself to you, you know, business.
But I craving me here.
Are you craving so me put it in your head? Make it go right to your head, cause the last one you go get. Me no want you to smoke here. Smoking kill.
No,
You're not ready for dead yet. To all up you. I make you old and wrinkle and grey. As a matter of fact, pick it up and throw it in the bin. Me not even want to see the pot in my yard. Old thinking thing. Me send it straight to your head now. So you don't need no more. It gone straight to your head.
Oh,
Are you a make you smoke?
You want me to smoke it?
You smoke?
no.
Just smoke it, stop it.
But she don't catch me. That's the point to catch you.
Me no want none of it. Smoking no good.
Good for me.
It no good.
It good for me. It
When you're
give me
stressed
good
and you
vibes.
smoke,
Well, it give you good vibes in your head then now.
But you burn me here, me
Good.
smell it and I
Good
burn
that
to
you
your
want.
ear.
You want cigarette, you get cigarette. It goes straight to your head, it gone in your head.
Boy, shawty. The cigarette, the teleport. Wow.
Yeah,
Right
yeah,
and
I
red.
heard that.
So you go.
So when you start smoke,
Okay.
do you smoke too?
what me feel like.
Outside of it. What about you?
I'm out of virgin to cigarette.
Alright, Miss
Make it
Innocent.
stand so.
Yeah.
Me no want to no go down that the road, you know. When I was dead too quick, me teach you know something. A embalming fluid then put in a cigarette. The same thing that the undertakers have to use marks for when them embalm the body and that on a smoke and I put on a embalm on yourself. On a dead already. I dead on the dead already and I'm embalming myself.
Me half dead, so nothing wrong.
Oh, see, I embalm yourself early. Me don't want nothing to no.
Nothing do me.
You're young and healthy and at the same time leaf drop it a rot. And if you look after yourself, man.
Then let me don't you come and shut my vibes.
When you reach 20 odd and come out to my house, then you can do what you want. But not in this yard.
Where you apart from 20?
Tell her again there.
You reach it yet? You want to live for reach it? You want to live for reach it? Rank with me again. Me want you already.
And you go on me again.
Yeah.
Me did think you said she not come back in here yesterday. I don't know what she do here.
She gonna make me lift up my hand and foot to her, you know. Don't make me do it before the day done, because you're not going to like it.
I think I do that every day and in our work.
Tell her again.
Try a different approach.
The next approach you see, you're not gonna like it. So you see this man we are run down, make sure see them have place to put here. Because the next time I strip me now in your bag, your clothes are gonna be out or so.
But me not running down them run down me.
Me no business, you're not old enough to be receiving no man attention. You have plenty time for that.
Of course.
You have
You say me
plenty.
nice.
Do what?
You say me nice.
You're not going to stay nice forever.
Girl,
You have
hush
to go
up.
before
And I
time.
hear time.
Where niceness there?
Look.
Mommy.
So we have to take
Mother.
them back early.
Mother. Care go a doctor and sit her eye straight. Clearly her eye full her. Excuse. You tough man. Move. You tough like you don't nice none tall. Don't make nobody fool you.
You say put me in and say nothing.
So what? So this man, you're run down. That's so good. Where it put you? Where you get from it?
You put me somewhere go far.
Which belly? You breed? You breed? Little girl, me ask you a question. I breed, you the breed?
No, mommy.
Let me tell you something. Before night on today, no belly full of arm and foot at Tanya, you know? Before time, you know?
I well, come in here,
she
put me out
she
with
no
it.
have no belly. She, you know her ways already. She said if nothing by end of this month we have a lot of groceries. Maybe. If it work out.
A job you get?
No.
Where you
She
get
have
money
her
for get
own no, she have her own job. We don't know about the job, but she know about her job.
Remember, I'm a canner. Just go and can demand them. I'm pregnant and collect money from them.
Can artist will be.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, can man too.
No, me not ready.
So who is we?
Me learn half a
So
first.
who are you be?
Oh,
Yes.
big up to
You have to
you.
go lift up. Me. Little from this, anything happen to you and people are gonna say, are your mother send you out to man? You not Tanya and take man, you know?
Then who
I mean,
send
I
you out?
want no grocery from you with man money.
So who send you to man?
I mean, I said send you out to man.
Me sure no she.
I me send you out. Say it again, loud and clear, cause you're a big woman and need this. Move your hand and say it out loud and clear. Push up your chest, cause you're a big woman. Say it again, make me hear you. I me send you to man.
No, mommy.
I me put you upon man.
No, mommy.
Oh, and I me make you con man.
No, mommy.
Oh, you know what? Go inside because you love pain, don't? Because you really want me to raise my hand and foot to you. I mean, I do my best. Because I don't trust myself. Because the minute my hand and foot raise, I don't know if I got to stop. Go inside and come out to my side.
So me can go on the road.
Yeah, you're going to your house, you ask about road. It come like a girl and I know things.
She don't.
She want me to do
No,
something.
you don't.
Alright?
Yes.
Good?
Mhm.
Good. You have to stop smoke here. I'm proud of you for
Yeah,
not pick
big
it
up
up.
to me.
Stop smoke, it not good for you. You come out to my side because me and you
So me
now
can go on the
agree.
road.
You better meet someone that take man like she.
Oh.
Go up on the road. Go on. Me not stop you. Go up on the road. Go up on the road. Please.
I just want me to go buy.
Please go up on the road. Please, me I beg you now. Go up on the road.
Something I go buy.
Sefe. Me not stop you.
But
Me not stop you.
put on them here.
Me not stop you. You can't tell me what to do. You're a big man. If you're a big man, go so. If you're a picnic, go. Yeah, you're big. No come back in my yard. No come back
Me
in
not have
my
to come
yard.
back.
Dirty brew.
Me not have to come
No
back.
come back in no yard. Yeah, two picnic me have now.
I mean, I said be a big woman in areas.
Me not raise no fool and she a fool. So she don't welcome back here. She come back here with the attitude me a bust her backside for her. Phone and everything belong to me. Can me buy it.
Me a strong out here, so.
Take your time and you pressurize.
The pressure they must rise already.
Oh, God.
Here.
Cassie don't learn. Excuse me.
Every day she get like a my king learn.
Sis, what go on? What you saying to do?
You know, say look side mama there saw you pa.
Well, right now, I don't want to book side man get a look up some money from him for me, you know.
Money for the wagon job.
You mean money for the war
Me
again?
not give money what do you for buy clothes and some way you do with it.
But her clothes right now, you look up piece of girl, yes, me I work there, you know. You see my breed, you know.
She a what?
She a breed.
Come jam me up. Jam me up now. Come in now here you go to sit down now. So come. Me now here you go. Wait, take time. She what you say she had now?
She a breed.
So who breed her?
She said she want 150,000 for that show, master. So
100 hour?
50 for dash it away.
So we go get that from?
You can take a link on your side, man. Them, I link it two of them. We get half on the one day, half on the one day.
Well, I have news for you, darling, because I am also breeding. So me not have no money for go take and give for your girl and me. They want that shit for me.
Salt then, man.
Salt with
What you say? Dash it? The way you do? Dash it for your one.
They want that shit my home because the side man breed me.
So you say workless? You workless in the girl?
Workless job one?
What you
job
mean?
one. Don't come bother with it.
Me never dash
you
way.
Take time talk. By the way, you tell me about the dash of my home. You want to dash for you? Listen to me. Don't piss
Listen,
me
man,
off.
and for me, I for she.
Who breed him?
But listen, yeah, man, look for my crib. It's even the rum I can't afford today. If he got banned, then my worst can't afford no more rum and even weed on my crib.
You see anyhow this come out, me can't afford nothing at all because guess what? My man, when they hop in dad, go wonder how he baby in a favor him. So
You're tricky, man. You know if you trick the man, we have the money.
Tricky man.
All you can't pass him to look more from now, you know. But that's what I carry it.
But you can't pass it either because the people are about Daddy,
no,
Daddy here.
I know me a breed.
Yeah, what going on, sir?
Oh, babes, come. I'm there, so I told my workless brother.
What are you workless? The workless army.
You say
that one, go on. Darling, come, go on. Come there, my man gonna bring me go buy coconut shrimp and lobster. So go on.
How you look, sir?
Come on, look. Mama have some more talk to look.
Come on, sir. Come to me.
Do you come right there, son? No?
Come here, sir. You a spin or me a spin?
Alright. You have some more something to get me.
What you have to tell me? Pregnant for you.
What you mean pregnant for who? No must you.
Must who? You know full of how much man in your community, girl. What you chat about? Only thing you can look for me, you know. I want to see me, you know, when you want seafood boil and lobster pan grill and how much see, you know. Tell you, listen, you come ramp with me and feel like you can come pin no belly pan me, you know. So that you can look me back for do.
Hold on, question. Who? Alright, listen now, come in the argument to you. Me want $180,000 for that shit this, cause guess what, I must me live with my man. How you all tired us about how?
That shower? Who you want money from for that shower?
You, who breed me?
Go name that. Go in your kitchen and take up one plate and fork and put that in a plate and name that. Who for you $150,000? You know what? But can't buy one bike, put on the road for go run taxi. To upgrade my life.
You know, so a careless man me take up. I don't know how I take up is a careless man, you know.
Careless down there, sir. Where you have a pass one like donkey.
Cause if you never careless, then we would breed for you.
Breed for
You're
who?
too hard. You never know say careless when you did a wine and dine in there.
Oy.
You never know.
Oi. Remember say every gun me go in your hole. 2 lifeguard me wear. Yeah, not even
Listen,
one.
don't
2
piss-
life jacket.
Only thing me
Yeah.
have to tell you is make sure when me link you have more 180 and
Link
me have nothing.
Link O.
You're out.
Link your tape them. And your workless brother what just gone down there, sir. Yeah, I feel like you can come and live off a man.
I should have dealt with you. I should have keep my man in my yard. Because if I go tell him, say me go breed, he go keep you and he go give me money to take care of you. See you?
Here,
You
say
are
it
the
again.
worst mistake in my
Man, your
life.
yard. That if you all the
I'm
boy
not the
what you
man
say.
in my yard.
Yeah, you me
And
say you
you
say
breed
you
me.
say chat say you. Me no know go mix myself with the boy now. Yeah, you me say.
But there you are. I don't hear nothing what you have to say. But I
Oh,
don't
real
want to hear
country girl listen to Bomba. Every time I talk to this girl, I mean, listen when you talk, when me start talk, you start talk. Girl, better come out of my life, dear man.
Hello. Me I come down to your yard. Come on.
Can't deal with you. Country girl.
John, me a come, man. Look how, don't tell me about look how long I take me go buy cigarette. Me a come. Yeah, man, me the time where I come. Hold on, John. Listen me, woman. Hold on. Me not turn long, man. Me not turn long. Not turn long. I'm a virgin, John. He bring me buy one cigarette and one lighter.
How are you?
Eh?
How we have?
You know, you hear what me I say, come like a last. I want you with you know, pay attention to what me say, you know. Unless me have money. At that time, you start pay attention to me. Your ears open clean. We don't know, woman, when we broke. Oh, no, listen to it. You know, that's on the galang. But you see, moment we have money, we don't have manners. Good morning, babes and troops. All of them. And I'm studying smartly, you know. Yeah.
Babes,
Huh?
this one.
Uh-huh.
When I got bring your cigarette, go get whoever you
Yeah.
wanna bring, go get.
Uh-huh.
I can't come, I could go up here. I didn't know. I'm gonna get some nice, sweet loving and
No,
the
no,
breadfruit
it's
in
a
your
sin to have sex in a sun hat.
sun
No.
put sun hot, throw some water up there, must cool down. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Uh-huh.
Come on, I can cook my breadfruit and
I think you know one breadfruit.
I don't know, I just get
Yeah,
me
every time you
breadfruit.
cook breadfruit, you dash away.
I'm not that sure this time.
Oh, so you're willing to eat breadfruit.
I'm willing to eat.
Yeah, because some of them crush with some butter too, you know. Because me not no Irish.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I could go up now.
How you big now? Because anytime you do that, you know, as I say, you know, when woman knows a man have money, they start
Yeah.
rub them down. Huh?
Babes, well, if you have money and good news, because I have something to tell you.
Because it's sitting there. The lucky five, I'm going to get 400,000 though. And I really want $1 million.
Thank you, God. I come like at the right time.
Amen. Amen, God.
Yeah,
Thank you, God.
The right time God send this and news, babes.
No, me want to flip the money.
No, you can't go flip it because guess what?
Uh-huh.
You have a mini papaya on the way.
Mini Popeye.
Yes.
Oh, dog Popeye. Come
Yeah,
go add a mini burger for Chino. Me I tell you.
Listen to me now.
Eh?
I'm pregnant.
You pregnant.
Pregnant.
How we pregnant?
Are we pregnant?
Yeah, how we pregnant? That me want to know.
I know people get pregnant. I don't know how you get pregnant, but I know how me get pregnant.
How you get pregnant?
We lie down and, you know, and nice and thing and thing.
Over 2 weeks now. Me ain't no do nothing.
Yes, sir, from 2 weeks ago I'm pregnant. I'm just fine out.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
How old is the belly?
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks. Can't even
3 weeks ago. 2 weeks now me ain't have sex. 3 weeks ago. Me do maths.
I don't know when the belly.
It's a...
Sister here one. Yes, I come to me.
After me?
So I must see her and be
No man, something wrong. Hold on there. No. My bridging have to go wait. Something really wrong.
Look on the baby, babes. I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen now. Stop doing that. You don't normally smoke, Papa. What you do? You're not happy. You know what's man out there want picking in right now.
Yo.
Babe, stop going so. You know much man out there wish them have a baby. I know you get a baby and you don't want it.
Listen me. Me too old for picking now. And a best fruit me and cook most of the time. And the blood of Jesus against it.
So even now, when I want to keep you now, that's why you stress me out.
That's what? Me look like a murderer to you.
So make me keep it and you can go walk.
Keep what?
Water
Me look like a jacket to you.
Yes,
me know my father.
So I don't know you.
Hey, back it up.
Babes, I'm here doing some live with you.
Go over the pipeline there. Go over there. Turn up over there, sir. Back it up. Tell me the truth. Because me hear news boy, you know. Side who?
Side sandwich.
M-A-N no sound like a sandwich.
Me never say M-A-N, me say sandwich. You know, you keep listen, man.
Okay.
Man with a ears, you know.
So, your brother did right.
Which brother did right?
When me see your brother around me so, he tell me say, consider me milk.
Look how long job on our mayor left. So him not gonna say that, babes. Remember say my...
No, he wouldn't want me here left. Because he want money. Hey.
Papa, is there keep it or listen to me? I may live in the same house. After you breed me, don't me I have it out here. What you tell me say you're not gonna take the baby? And you tell me say you're gonna take it because it's not going nowhere. So come take yourself and come go up in the yard, come water the baby head, say baby can look like you. Come, we're going up.
Hello. You see me go take it, right? I'm going to water the baby head. Let me tell you this. First of all, the juice now come from my body. I'm going at that. Second of all, me done with you. Especially with you and your brother.
Yeah,
No,
please, me
listen.
a beg.
Oh,
If you done with me, call me a breathe.
listen. Yes,
Papa.
no, listen. You see the
I
moment we
do
top. Hey.
I know, babes. Please, me a beg you.
The two of us suffer together, right?
Bye.
Boy, the
Please.
reason why you didn't stick around me,
Please.
because I could have full your belly.
Papa, me a beg you.
Oh,
Me a beg you, babes.
Hey.
You really gonna let me at the time I didn't need with your baby?
Yes! Because
Oh, God, man. Papa, you gonna let me and
the
baby.
2 week, I tell myself I not have sex with you because I feel like say, every time I have sex with you, I lose money. The 2 week, I not have sex with you.
So you really gonna let your baby to suffer?
I win the
You
love.
love me again.
Hey, hello, spell love.
Hello, V. Babes.
You understand what the word means?
Yeah, me understand.
Eh?
Bye.
Long
You said
over vote N. Long over vote N.
But you can't do me this, please.
No.
Bye, come now.
No, hold on.
We are go. Babe, we can't talk. Come now, we
hey.
are go.
Listen.
We are go, babe. Papa, you really can love me on the road because you find out you breed me. What kind of man you be?
Tell me the truth and me stay with you.
You're one, babes.
Who for the baby?
Not. Are you alone me have? Me swear.
Yes.
Are you alone me have? Me
Yes,
nobody else.
yes, when me the shiny flashlight up in your hole.
What you saying the flashlight up in my hole for? Like gone up there?
Yes, when me the shiny in there, make it whole heap of bruises. Me,
You bruises.
knowing me have a little scratches. Me can't hurt up it.
Such can't swell. You never when you go in a pot and it gets swell up on your boil.
No, this is what I do, because this is what I not go in a pot. This is what I go in a something cool. Look at me good.
No, but
We done.
Really hot. We can't do.
We done.
We can't do.
Me exit.
We can't exit.
Me delete you long
You
time.
can't delete me.
Your eyelash alone scare me. So let me go.
Me will take it off. Babe.
Pull it off now.
No.
If you love me, pull it off.
Bye-bye. Please.
Prove it to me. If you love me, take it off.
I love
No, you
you.
don't love me.
You can prove me, brother, right? Babes.
Hello.
I love you. I swear. You're the only man me want.
Only man.
You're the only man, me swear.
The only man.
Yeah.
Hold up your two hands. And repeat after me.
Yes.
As long as I live.
As long as I live.
And I have a man.
And I have a man.
My eyes will never see another man.
My eyes will never see another man.
And I always and will always.
And I always and will always.
Loyal to the man at my home.
Loyal to the man at my home.
And my front.
On my front.
Will be like a Bible.
Will be like a Bible.
Not every man want to read it.
Not every man want to read it, but Papa.
Good.
Good.
But guess what?
What?
Put up back and again.
Yeah.
As long as I live.
As long as I live.
I shall not mention Papa's name in him.
Papa, no!
But I know you go.
Papa! Papa, where you go?
So you say there?
Something there.
You think you come check me?
You don't come check me. I want to not go to your yard to look for you. I want to like it to them.
They never over there.
Man, go there. I go to your yard neither.
So I want to feel something.
So that again.
The money?
Machine, man. Style.
Can I get a machine here? And machine at work? Machine at work, you know?
Machine now function out of service right now.
Machine at work now, we can go down.
Machine now work.
I don't there me I come from. Probably my sister go down there.
My car different than pushing my car a black car.
A black cat, she have to.
No. I'm gonna black car in that place.
You have to know me, I tell you.
What you say you want now? Where you want money to do again?
To get rid of your belly.
Get rid of your belly then. Keep the belly in the turn. I want to if I love me, keep the belly. They stop smoke and stop drink and mind the picnic. You go to work and mind the picnic, man. I'm bother with that, man. That's what looks belly.
It's why I'm gonna be with man like a uno.
What?
It's why I'm gonna be like woman like a uno.
So they may be man like a way. They not bring to me now.
Because they want kind of get some money.
Pan me, I want to try pan master. From me, I link come to my time you got machine. What time you got machine from me, I link?
More than one time. Machine never
yet.
hit a work.
for work a lie. And you get $1 from me, darling. You just a skin out, you look something and get $1. And you bring card now, so you're pregnant. You want more money for that shit, and if you find out the money they give you. So no, man. So, when I real happy show, man.
You know what, when I can boy and get money?
That's not them.
I get 1,000, I get 5,000 and something. And y'all where I get the money from?
1,000 and 5,000.
Yeah.
What can you do?
It can do something coming out breed, so I can have it in my pocket as pocket money.
Real happy show, man. 1,000 and 5,000. So yeah, girl picking it. But if you go up on the bridge, you will get more than 5,000. No, for sure. Or 10,000 I get. You list now 1 2 minutes, because some of them man them.
Oh.
Yeah, oh. You take a time and go on here, man, so.
Yeah, so me I see.
Stay for what?
Can you want to stay so?
But you go on, man, because I make you a bird for me, because you like you cannot just you cannot go and con somebody else. No cannot go and right just at the moment. You can save my money now, I can buy more rum.
Ain't no money?
But I make your mouth say, what do you think by curbing your weed and rum at the time?
No must trust it or something.
Just see. But then I trust my friend.
So if you have money, show me 100,000 now.
For what?
Or show me a card.
My card?
Yeah, show me it.
What about that, man?
Can you not have none?
I mean, I give it any. Then buy it up. I just have it to go and beat up them already. You know, it's free. I mean, I pay a fee now. I can't say, alright, so I'm going to come like I want to pack show, you know? Just, you know, come and look up. Bring in that bush and say, bam, bam, bam. And say, now, when I ice in it, I can't. Just go on here, man.
You soon get what you look for.
What me I look for?
You soon know.
And you go soon get what you want to look for?
What me I look
What
for?
me I can.
At least me get money. Me
The
get money.
continent canning business. Sorry for you.
What gonna happen?
Hmm?
What gonna happen?
If I hear about the headless horse, man, you can't be a headless horse, yeah.
That not happen. Me are the baddest kind of world. So I can't stand you just sit my stomach.
What's in a bedroom door? You know what?
No, I'm not sit here, you know, because you're a waste, man. What's your young friend now? What going?
Means so I go on. Tell me what I go on.
No, I'm there. You good?
Always good, you know.
So where you come from?
What question me for? Why pray?
Me ask you where you come from, so I can ask you a question.
You can't ask me no question. I'm not obligated to you.
Oh.
Why pray?
No, I'm there. Yeah, we can somebody, but I don't see person I come to.
So what does that have to do with me? What does that have to do with me?
It's not nothing to do with you.
So what you stop me for?
Come on, talk to you or something.
So talk to me, no talk you talk to me.
Where you go now?
Strolling my way through to find what I don't have. Why you stop me for?
Come on, you go look.
No, look, woman.
Say now, me what go up the road.
I don't need a company. What else you want to do?
When you go up the road, you can find out.
No, I want to find out now.
Where go your yard?
My yard.
Yeah.
You need to ask me if I have a yard.
So you must have a yard. If you're foreign and you travel so much time or something, and you have money, so.
You just see me and come in my yard.
Yeah.
For what?
Because I want to come in your yard. To do something.
Talk straight, talk where you talk about.
We are going to a bedroom.
I know you're talking. So much you going in the bedroom?
About 25.
You sure you work that?
Yeah.
How you sure?
Me sure.
How you sure?
You want to find out?
You ever work yourself?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Marvin, me tell you, man, she give me a warm time. You have to go take her back, man. She's 17 now, she passed the worst. And she'll give me a warm time. We can't manage no more. You have to take her back. No. Alright, Marvin, me understand, so the father gone. Me know same gone. But no work, no watch that. Are your daughter, you know? Remember see me do the hot pot already, you know? I forgot to take her back, man, because we can't manage. Mm-hmm. Want to big people. Come take her back, man.
Chichi, come back here.
Come take her back.
I'm gonna make her can't listen. Leave me alone.
Me do the hard move. Me do the hard work already. And she's 17. I feel your picnic. If you come take her back. Me will go. No, make me go court, you know. Try no say 3 o'clock you phone me back. Oh. I'm doing take thing. I want to send people to a madhouse.
I will turn away your jacket.
Yeah.
I'm not jacket, you know. But you know the big people. Me can't take the botheration no more. So, I'm going to make her know. I can't take the botheration.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now. My baby, you know, so I love you. I love all of you.
When you do it, someone I get too emotional. Just talk. When you do say come like a somebody out of me. Top sweet up, man. Just tell her.
All right.
I mean, I take her.
When Joseph did leave me, I really feel so I wouldn't get another child. You see?
So then the swap shot the hospital.
No.
I am have to say.
But Reg, me adopt her. I never think so. Yes, I never think Samir is gonna get any children. Her father, her mother is my best friend. And her father breed her, and run gonna foreign with next woman, white woman.
I get 25,000. I get 25,000.
So you back it up on your mother for your fish.
Girl, but I get money, so I don't think that.
So where you come and start both for 25,000 for nobody tells they
You
have
have
money.
No.
Nobody tells they broke. Girl, excuse.
Continue.
So, as I was saying,
Yes.
since this is revelation, you come at the right time. Because
Yeah.
You're adopted.
me tired of everything.
Yeah, jacket.
Yeah, go back.
Girl.
Me tell you, say, you tell me, say, you don't want to stay here before. As them tell you, me is not your real mother here. You is adopted.
Okay. We can't know that, come. I look nothing like a
No.
I thank God you know.
But you, instead of that, you should say thank you.
What?
Because where people don't want children and another person take it upon themselves or when them not have nothing, you adopted. And you adopted
I
too.
lie.
Okay, you chat too much.
Because
Girl, shut your mouth
your
before me lick you in
parents
there.
died in a car crash.
Oh, at least they didn't abandon me. Me feel much better.
So me take on and
So
me
then
never
do
feel
abandon
say,
she?
me never feel so me could have no children.
Abandon she.
Hey, girl, stop
Yes.
crying for me.
You,
know
my
here-
daughter, as you know, you come from me. You're salt. You're mine.
Yes.
Yeah, but not
me
in
wa-
a good way.
Shut
You
up.
don't get no good
Me not really care.
And she take her,
Alright,
she
me a
put her
listen.
father brains.
Stop my partner, me a listen.
Yeah,
Oh,
jacket
you know
and
how
it.
to listen. Well, here what? Me can't manage to be phone your mother
Most I can't
and
manage.
tell your mother say you have to go lift up because as much as me can't take the botheration, me no want nothing do you. So better. Me no want nothing do you, but you can't turn you. Me can't manage. Me manage for 17 years. And me can't do it no more.
7 hours stay where you go.
My man come and put like a man yard.
You fine man.
You can't find boy.
Oh, big up to you.
So wait a minute.
So that you really, before you're 17, before you look for your future and look for find something for yourself, make a life for yourself.
So wait, the man I'm
I
saying
look
for
for your
myself.
father.
And him have a future. Him have a future too. So yeah, I try to say.
You feel a future of your own. That my mother try broke in your big head.
You go home and build a relationship
It's our
with your
mother.
mother. Yeah.
Said we.
You will find, they'll give you the address and the details and the phone number and everything.
Me think that's your mother don't want.
I
car,
don't
so-
talk. Because I buy morning early. Me I pack up my things them and go to my man yard. And
Oh.
just land. My damn yard.
Courage, you don't know him. I that me a talk about.
Me talk to
As
my
much
phone.
as me not like your ways, me still love you. When you meet this man,
Meet him earlier today.
Jesus Christ.
So the
Are you gonna live with man tomorrow?
In give 25,000.
You know, say it's a big whore.
No wrong. It's back on fire. Poor.
How are they
Are
back?
you proud of that?
Yeah, see it?
Say a prophet, sister?
You don't have
No,
ambition.
thank God. Oh God, thank God, man.
No,
thank
man.
God.
Tell me when me go wrong. You might not be mine, but when me go wrong.
You know, go
Or
wrong,
how
mommy.
me raise you so. Me
Mommy-
try my best.
Listen, you know, go wrong.
You know,
none
go
at
wrong.
all.
No, look here. Remember, say you know for your blood,
Yeah,
you know, so
you know
for
go
your
wrong.
genes also, now go
Okay.
in a heart.
You know,
Get
go
my
wrong.
family.
You know, go wrong.
No, but Kena and my blood neither. Kena
my
come out
family
the
did
proud of you.
My family did good. You say I can't
Shorty
kill them, you that
sometimes do
alright.
full things, but me proud of you same
Yeah,
way.
come here, no
I
whore.
want to be proud of you.
No. That
That's
not
not normal.
That not traveling at this family, girl. Don't do that.
Text me. I know how much talking to you.
Remember that talking y'all on
Girl,
phone about
man,
man.
text me if you answer him.
Lower, no, lower.
You know what? Come out to my site with that because
I
the sooner you lift up, the better. Me can't manage your rankness and your attitude.
You want me pull
Your
it door for you?
chest too high.
Girl, like him out of this.
Oh,
What
yeah,
you do?
Papa. Oh, yeah,
You
Papa.
can't put her up because she's not 18. I mean, I want nobody come and say because me legally adopt the two or no. So my response.
You put me up, me and God, please go station and tell you, so you put me up, but then come for you. So think
Go on
twice.
inside before me raise my hand on my foot.
Are you
Cause
talking
the
about
one
check
here,
my
you
mother,
think
girl?
it's a joke.
You tell person I check my mother?
Rise it.
Rise it! You think me not rise it? You think me not rise it? Me tired of it today. Me tired of it today. You think me can't do it?
Beat her.
Me can't do it. You don't know me and who, you know?
Beat her, mommy. Beat
inside.
her.
Go on to man. Go on inside. Your mother has to go take you now because I'm tired of this.
She hug you, she.
Me tired of it, man. Me can't manage no more.
You see how we go? And you never yet beat me, so yet, you know.
You might have the
Shorty.
full thing, Shorty, but you know ring so.
Shorty,
Exactly.
mother, there's nowhere Shorty can take one of those hits. You know what I'm saying, Lily? You lick him and you go to pitch go over this, so. You lick him and he start fly. Superman or Batman.
You go on in.
What you do?
Go on in.
What
You
you
done
do?
the
Go
fight.
in.
You can't take the fighting, do. Please and thanks. I'm a pressure go.
Yeah, no, me kill lick you done though.
Chat too much.
Shorty,
Girl, go on now.
Shorty, suck somewhere. Shorty, respectfully suck somewhere.
Even me that suck
done the
some, no, the suck
arguing.
now for you.
Done the arguing, man. Yeah, man.
Me I walk good on your road, cause me
Where
can't
you
take
go
this
down
up.
the road?
You know, see, I be a drama.
Alright,
Me
bye.
can't be that
Hope
drama.
I hope you slide out there, so.
Girl, go away.
So, mommy, you know me can't get off of my mind.
What?
I can never tell me, say, ready a girl with him there, so say you adapt her. Then 2 years back, we how you know tell me, say you adapt she and Nikki?
Because it wasn't the time. And no matter what, adopt or give birth, all three of them me picnic. Me raise all three of us. Well, me try my best to raise them close.
But
Me
mommy,
try.
she lazy, you know? She lazy bad. She know I help wash plate. She know I help tidy up house. She know I help wash the clothes them. She know I help do nothing. She lazy. No wonder you adapt her.
You know what me I go do.
Yeah, Jesus. Here comes problem.
Morning.
Good morning.
Yeah,
Today going to be a better day.
No? I see what
So,
good
what you
man.
chat me?
you know where to.
Nobody never did chat. You know,
Me hear me name, me hear the redhead girl. Me hear me name find at the house.
Sassy, your name right there?
Yes.
What you know so important, dear?
Don't chat about me lazy, them down at my house.
What are
But you not do nothing.
You're lazy for sure.
You not do nothing.
I'm for do.
You not do nothing in the house.
If
And
plate
before
them
I
wash.
will live here.
Well, I
Make
know
sure my time me get up my bed spread and my room clean. That's all I do.
If plate them no want wash your name
You know
out.
me?
If clothes them no want wash.
Me wash my
10
clothes, them.
dumpling you near my time. You near out the house. You near me, yeah?
Me feel me get thick up. Me get thick up.
Where
Yeah, get tick up for true in your head. You have to get tick.
Where I
Me-
get
me
take
what
up
you
for
do?
do? Where I get take up for do?
Backers. Me body grow.
What's yeah?
Oh,
I can't wait for you to turn 18, you know. I can't wait for you to turn 18 because
Ah, wait,
We can't wait.
Girl, no worry.
Because we can't manage. She has sent me early grave or prison.
Are
One
you
of the
want go
two.
there still?
Mommy trying to make she send it because you since sending them in, I know where I gonna get money from for mine. For bury you. Sorry.
But you done so already, man.
A mistake.
Me thank God for the two of you still. And then give me that the trouble. Me can't take the botheration.
Oh.
I'm mad at
Such as our great bag.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I ain't getting the pack of money, yeah, because you don't want me here.
Give her away, mommy. Give her away.
So hold on. Are you $20,000 man you got to?
I still, man. I still M-A-N spell.
Oh. Well.
Man, boy, boy.
Bye.
Man, boy, boy.
Me still responsible for you for the next few months, you know, because you're not reach 18 yet.
I'm not so hot.
But here what, me not stop you. Go on about your business. Go on. Come, me not go to early grave or prison yard for you. Go on and God go with you. Here. At least me not have to worry about she no more.
Exactly.
God knows.
You see, if not, are you police to Holland?
What happened?
What you still doing here?
So, you don't want to go on, so?
You didn't put on bag and tell me say you're gone. Lift up my girl. Bye-bye.
So who you did think about?
You're not born free now.
Are you one born, you know? So you one can walk?
Listen. My mother surely never run out of this house. If you take up bag and want to go about your business, go on.
I don't understand.
You're free to go.
Girl, me know they talk to you, so like
You're free to go.
I see me attack.
You want to kiss me?
But if you knock out your toe, look at teeth, them tapping eyes.
You still there? You're a big woman, you know. In this house is my rules and me run things. Things don't run me. And you're not up for that. And you decide to, you know, I work with that. So go on to your 20,000.
You're 25.
Go on to your 20,000 and see how long 20,000 lasts.
So
go on.
Last we have
So go on. Look here, take your frozen out of my face.
Oh my God.
Do something about
Girl, yeah.
Do something about it.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, Donny. You know, some can't bother. Alright, Donny no. Come in want no police come in me yard. Donny. Me no want no police come in me yard. Yes, come and say you're leaving. Lift up. Me no want no police come in me yard. Hey! Nobody with me yard, cause you don't know me who. You see, from this day forward, you don't let her in the house. You alright? You alright? You don't make her come in the house. Because me don't know when me take my stupid self, say me a help out and raise ungrateful picnic. Eh? Then I know she born. Then I ask for my elbow. Go along to your $20,000 man and don't darken my foot my doorstep no more. Oh, cross himself. Me I go inside.
Yeah, well, me I go on the road. Man, we so come. Remember, so we know. So when I got take man, we just go on the road and come back.
Be careful, yeah?
Yes.
If you see her, you go to the east and make sure you go to the west. Me not have 3 picnic no more, 2 me have. Go on. God go with you now.
Man!
Where you go?
Where they go?
Are you me and talk? Where you go?
Feel like you go trick me.
Who go chicken? What I listen?
You put your hand on this. Me make sure me they walk around and collect every man name. Because if you feel like you they put no belly on me, make sure you walk around start. Every man name is here.
So roughly you play with who?
You see how we put up on the first part? Popeye. Carry
Papaya my man name.
Kevin.
Who name Kevin?
Your man name too. So let's go.
Is this the road?
Marlon.
Who name Marlon?
Let me see how come out of bush with. Who this?
Kicker.
Esco, that's not kicker. Think me not see how we didn't know a shallow hole. Oh, come in I collect every man name. And who this? Ricky. Wait. So Kevin Titi. So I'm gonna feel like me the year one. Who this? Who this? Say the name. Who is this?
Me not say the...
Oh, because you see a Rasta name. Praddy. You see the name? Praddy the Rasta for your front line. Don't worry yourself. Dan, we have as donkey. You not have me as no lunatic. Me I collect every name. John, John Gotti. One. Mark. You think I'm Mark Goalin? That's why I did trick you. So don't worry yourself. How this?
I can't my mom. I can't
Oh,
my
that's-
man name that you have on the people.
Oh, Marcel,
Stop
listen.
playing, don't piss me off. I come like you want me, you have a real issue out here. Listen to me. You see them foolish how you keep up a matter. Don't touch me coming off a flat in your
I can't for this.
You see a matter of fact. Listen.
We are come up on myself.
I'm gonna tell you what gonna happen. Because you see if I eat that girl this year top. I'm gonna tell you this. Like a
I think you eat that belly a long time.
man, you give me money for yam it. You give me money for yam it. I don't mean you did give me money to yam it. Listen, you see me have to tell you right now, my man put me to around your yard, me a come live. So you see all them careless things what you do right there, so you better stop it cause it done.
When they name the lobster them. Pam, 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 seafood boil every minute. You can name the belly this.
No, I can't yam it cause you pay for the lobster, and you not pay for the
Man, man. I they get every man name put on this.
Don't piss me off.
you see-
Stop playing down my man have it out here.
You see, you live with your man, and I try to trick him and fool him, and want to come live with me now. You think say me a clown? You think say me a puppet? Man. Oh,
Don't let me have it.
Oh, it just start, me say, and right now, all around this I chat about you.
Chat about them can't chat about me.
All I man them what you sell, your saltfish,
Them
your raw
can't
fish,
chat
your raw
about
dish.
me.
Oh, look out for this. Look out for this. Look out for this. Look out for this.
Them
Look out for
can't
this.
chat about me. Them cannot chat about me. We not go nowhere. We are going here, right here, so.
So fool every man around here play shankle dip in.
Shankle lip in our, you know what?
Man.
I hold this one.
What happened?
What on there? We had right here, so. He me come to. You come to what man? What man you come to?
Me, she come.
No, I'm listen. I'm a brother woman. You come to which whom?
Better come on, who's back up.
Girl, what you?
Shit. Don't lick it down with this.
What you doing, man?
Because
And I'm a brother you breathe for.
I can't me there, I can't him.
You can for brother you can. For brother you
Girl,
can.
better me, I can.
Oh, lift up from boy. From. Oh, man. Girl, take your one.
And me come too. And you
You
for
know
me,
who
I'll
this
stay.
You talk about me. You know who this year? I want to catch it to my brother come out of bush.
First me I see that.
Yeah, oh, you first you see
You
this.
know what you talk about.
Oh, so how you say your woman?
Who?
So how you say your man?
I hear me someone say him come too.
She said me she come to, she didn't say me
When
and
you
her
come
man.
take darts in there, talk.
Business we have to talk about.
Talk about the business because she's breeding fit job on. So make you talk about the business, girl.
John who?
Job on. My brother, why you give money for buy clothes, you breed for him.
That's
Talk
right.
about the business, girl.
You
Me
can't
give
hear
me
it.
job one.
You can't hear it now what?
Talk about the business.
You know,
I can't my man to come on yourself the business. Hello, don't make me out the habitat. Girl, what you doing, my man? Me not just. Oh, so did you did fuck Popeye for true?
Me did who?
I she did link Popeye for true.
Not tell life on me. You did see me?
Okay. No problem. I have something in store for you. Don't worry yourself. Stand up right here.
Me nah move.
Don't worry yourself. Baby.
Even know you, so me heart for. Lick you down with the barrel. Should I drop on your neck? I see you fool.
How am I fool?
Licking the girl to work.
And you come, me no want to do it.
Fool
Until I
man.
go hospital.
Fool woman.
You're a woman. Like she said, you're not there.
So where you come and represent us? Where you tell her say?
Because I'm coming to you.
Where pray? Where pray?
And it's my bag. I come here yard. I move with my mother yard. So I come live with you.
Oh!
Yes.
You're moving now.
Yes.
I'm coming for you. Baby, no problem. You don't know that?
Come on, I'm ready.
No,
Why get something to live with here?
Yes, no man.
Oh. Okay.
Me there, my sister, what you deal with?
You know, sir, up here, bar, make a while ago, I never see you.
Them
How?
yard destroy, I get rid my yard and everything on my yard now. So I'm there my yard.
Well, master. Why, brother, you rough.
Talk to me, sister, man. You like you talk to me, now, man. What I'm to you?
You don't
Who
know,
trouble
sir.
you? Which boy trouble you on the road?
Boy, remember me telling me I breed with you? You forgot?
Yeah.
When me tell the side man when you gone, him say, what a man me do with? And him embarrass me and a pair things.
So.
I'm not take care right time, not give me money for that shit. And babes, may I try give him babes he belly and he not take it either. He left me right there, so right now I'm stressed out. I know what to do.
Me tell you, if you don't left it first, man. But no.
You never tell me no left no man. And you tell me if you left me man. I know me left me man, I know me. I believe I go do. Right now I'm stressed
So you
out because
really
I
listen
have
to
nowhere
me?
to live.
Yeah, I just see second man, they have more money to spend. I remember float.
Well, the money is gone and I did not get anything from him. And right now, I don't have nowhere to live. I'm homeless, speaking of now. So I come around here, so if you can ask if I can stay with you.
Stay where?
Oh, yes, I know, like, but we did stay when we smaller.
Yes, yes, a one room that.
We did stay in the one room with the little.
Little. We big now, we adults.
Not bother with that, man.
Not sure your family you talk about. Come now, come and clear crazy.
Not bother with that. Come in, I want you. Me know.
Any family coming to my little house, you know, I must make woman and my pitney. I mean, I have them yet. Me not get them yet. So, me don't know what you going to do, my sister. Me sorry for what?
You really are going to make me your little sister. And you're going to go make me dip on the road and suffer.
When I don't care about that, a woman name. Go find a new man.
You want me to go home? So me go homeless and tell me find a man new man.
Nobody ball to me, you know. Don't ball to me. Change. No.
I know what I'm doing in life. Job what are you convince me to man?
I'm sorry, you ball. If you respond, boy, you're balling. Eh?
I
say go find a new man. You're not ugly. You're not ugly.
Me not have no
You're not shape bad.
with belly.
What?
Man with belly job one.
They're not going to say you're breed at the moment. Just make sure you know. You see, you first man, listen man, you see, you first man on the road, you're going to load him tonight.
Kill is that.
So, and back here, when I be two man them, I know who for you picking them.
I know who.
You know who now?
Yeah, I didn't know who long time. But you left for me and try to give Papa. I know me I walk a search for Papa. Papa move out. Me I walk a search for Papa and I can't find Papa. I know the landlord give me notice and Papa move out and I tell me.
Hey, I'm sorry for you, my sister. You have people, alright, see, you say no careless now. You want to give another man a pit man of the other man. Go give this man on the road. Just take me foolish advice, my sister, man. Give foolish advice and go find this man, man. You find him now. You see him now on the road, just take him.
That's my baby.
I say, if that's your way, go find a man. Go look at him tonight. And next 2 to 3 days, you say, babes. But you know if you go do? You see, I don't know if you go use, you know. Drink some water and so on, just mix it with some little coloring. Put in your mouth. Play up your bed, like you have vomit. I said, babe, I don't feel good. Can I go to the doctor? Doctor, you're brain now.
You help me, right?
Come here, help me help you. I can help myself.
So when you never have it, and me help you. But no, you're not. Don't worry yourself. Must find a way, you know. Remember, say, you have to come one back so for me. Don't worry yourself.
When you find a new man with money, I'm going to check you for more room, yes?
Don't worry yourself.
I'm sending a ball to me again, here. Man, yeah, man, come on, disturb all my peace.
Sorry if I'm like that. What?
What you have?
I'm coming to apologize to you.
Apologize to me?
Yeah.
But what?
But what me do what you up there so?
No man, I apology man, I'm alright man, I'm good man, I still save me from spend what I have. Or what I want to spend so. Yeah, you're good my friend, I'm to you man, big up yourself man. But how you go back from back then?
You say me I come look for him, live mother yard.
Who you come look for?
You.
I could never me come look for, but it's not easy.
So me can come stay with you?
Yeah. Stay with me?
Yeah.
Stay with me? Before you come tell me to come say just pull up on me say she want to come stay with me. And me have to run her away. Cause you not go work.
That's your sister, me your woman.
Which woman? Which woman? He's a wicked, he's a Delilah. But woman, he's a Delilah. You see me? You gotta tell me about how you are bird for me. Me you kill it myself, now see me can say alright. Put on a little rum drinking for a while. He's a rum drinking and see me can find some money can buy to a last one, some little thing and some little thing for you. I keep on tree and we have bird for we are buying and we can pick them same way. And crush them so Irish same way and give you same way. But Where you come pull up on me and tell me about how you know about that breed. What you say I try to again?
Can me there, can you?
Oh, yeah, right. Yes, bro, you're cool. You try can me. Can't ever tell me say you can me. But you can somebody else.
But my forgiveness, you must can forgive me.
Yeah, me
I
know.
can see where
Then
they.
say forgive, but not forget. Me forgive you in a long time. Me forgive you, but me not forget.
So me can't stay there tonight because the lady when me to stay with me find out say my mother. I'm disrespect her, I'm not think so back her yard.
You ask you somebody yard, and you thought she was your mama, and you find out she's not your mama, and you don't have no manners to her. And when you think of your mother, you don't have no manners. And when now she under your mother, you still don't have no manners. You don't have nowhere to go. You don't have bread cent in your pocket. And you don't have no for me like you. You see, after the care people give me, you save it and store it up and put little tears in your eye and little whatever you call in your vice box and go back up at your mother yard or up at your lady yard and give her the apology because that boy.
But she not gonna accept it.
I don't know, you know. What you gonna do, you know? And your girl picking it still. You can't walk and probably find only one man we put you up.
I know I'm man, I got too smart man already.
What you do? What you say do?
I say I'm more man.
Because
Man are classes.
and that me here.
Oh.
For your mileage run gone way up because sky high past the light post. For your mileage gone. And you want to come drive for your car, come park up right.
It's not gone so far. You just stop and look at black something there, so. It's not gone too far.
Black something?
Right there, sir. It's not gone too far.
Black something like that.
Look on the post, you see black something on the black tire on it? That's why mileage stop. It's not gone too far.
Oh, you black? Oh, you wire?
Yeah.
You see much wire that? Look how much wire. So much one wire lead to. It lead to your whole community. So if you tell me say female stop there, so that means you give your body to your whole community.
Yeah, Tom,
right?
they can hurry.
Take time and
For the money.
I say go on back up the road.
Wait, no?
Wait, when if you come
Let's come with them, please.
My dog them no back if you touch.
Please come with
Me say go for your mother.
Me can't go up there.
See me, yeah, me say go for your mother, girl.
She not gonna accept me up
Me not
there.
come my yard.
Why?
Hey, what? Which up on your body, my girl? Tom, Dick, Harry, John, Luke, Peter.
But a mistake.
Mistake.
Yeah.
See, one time a mistake.
It not gonna happen again.
See, second time, you're the foolish. But the 30, 40, 50, 60 and counting and counting.
I first time it happened.
I don't want you, my friend. I didn't want you one time when I think I hear the bridge from because I didn't want you.
So you can come here, put my bed for sleeping in a settee.
What if you eat that?
What do you mean?
What if you eat that, man? Go on with your business, man.
Me I come over with you.
Me say if you ever come, me say me dog them pan you.
Me I come with you because set them pan me. Me I come and me done talk. It's me got station.
Say what?
I must say me under years, you know. And you're there with me.
Got station say what? Remember say you done
say you kidnap me and rape me.
Kidnap who? No. Come on. Say that. Where you say go do again?
Got station. Me must say me under huge.
Yeah.
And with the things I don't know if you do.
Yeah, because why? Where you go do that now? Where you go do that?
Because you know and put me up.
Thank you.
So if you don't put me up, I got station. I got to hold out the name.
Look this now.
Me a
see
look.
Camera. You have voice funny. You record the voice. So when they come to me bring them up at this house here. I'm a good friend. We play the video. When they hear what you say, you say to become I want to put you up, you go tell them that the boss near me a supper. They hear that?
Brother.
Goodbye.
When me I go?
No. You want to go?
No, can me go your yard. Me can keep on your settee. Me I stay this with then. Me can go and chillax. Till later we go in.
Go on up for your mother.
Me nah go back up there.
Used to be your mother. So on all house you can go live in it with the dog.
Oh yeah, look how me nice. Me not gonna that go do. And your next old fat to cook on you too.
You're nice.
Yes.
Go on. Go on.
Me not going to that. Cook on you.
No, go.
If your glasses smell like me.
No worry yourself, man. You spend money for what you want, man.
Yes, my friend. My hawks and hawks till I find where you live. You know, from day me I look for you. I search all over.
Yeah, look for me for. Yeah, money for me. Yeah, money for me.
No, I come to give you the good and the bad news. My woman, when we live with, when we have run she thin, till she thick, give me bone, breathe to a different man.
Oh,
Yes! You know how from morning she walk and look for me? I hide. Cause me no want see her. I win the lucky 5 you know. Take 400,000.
Kakafat.
And me flip it over still. Me use the head and buy some shares because it teach you something. It better you invest your money than left in the bank.
You have little sense, Papa.
When you left in the bank, no interest now grow up on it.
No, them fool you.
Bank a trick you.
And use it up.
They might use your money and I lend other people. So you take your money and you invest it.
That's true.
You see all the people that work 16,000 because government raise you now to 17,000. You know.
Are we lucky?
Which that still can't do nothing. We can't do for the hours them when you work. Some people that work 8 hours a day, they might pass more than 8 hours.
A slavery system.
If you get 1 hour lunch, by the time catch half an hour, you Chinese say, why you have to get up. You don't get to digest the food.
That's true.
Them are robbery. I think the government now need to go into those establishments there and make sure the people them are do their 8 hour and them are get their 1 hour lunch break.
Yes. Them to check pan them for true cause slavery abolished, but still not slavery.
No, slavery now go done.
Aye.
But and that's why I can check it though. You see you have 3 kids. Me I come find out that none of them reach 18 where me and your friend when me can just have up a yard to keep me comfort. Come put me make sure me tap parent and tell the lads to put notice for the door and kick her out. You know. Me I want to go 1 cartoon so me go back to.
So hold on, Popeye. You want to open bakery, you know? From me know you get bun.
That's true.
But what go round, come round, come you know you give bun, you give bun fluff.
You know what I mean? And I said, like you have say you have 3 kids. They must big enough now.
No, look for me pick them. No look for my daughter them. Me one. Raise all 3 of them to come give you. You must have mad.
So take me then.
Take what? You say you put sign on hoods and stop parent. Me want to take on your crosses, Papa. You must be mad.
Crosses.
But me enjoy me shrimp, my baby cook for me,
You see, a man like me, I always telling you know, when God go no good man, you know, one them.
No, I'm not that. Me still await for good man.
Be good. I can clean up your
For
place.
nothing.
I can cook. I can wash a baggy them. Yeah. That's the type of man when me be.
Me need that. Tell you something, me need that. My hand and foot in the giant church, you know.
That we
Me
don't know.
good.
You see, we don't know, woman. If you don't get to a good man.
No, Papa, we
turn
have
them down.
standards. We have standards. As a woman supposed to have standards.
Look at our best friend. You remember Sashi? Every time we go to church, Mrs. Sashi, I pray now. Father God, can you bless me with a money, man? Father God, can you bless me with a money, man? And what I don't know? Well, man, we are driving and sell ground food, you know. Stop at Sashi foot. And I say, yes, God, it look like you're blessing me, I know God. Sashi turned down the man. That's all what happened, man, you know. Sashi now go take out one of me enemy them down the road. So the boy I drive markets. Because boy, they splash me up one day, you know. But Sashi now go breed team, had 3 picnic.
Well, you know,
They never tell me how for markets him a drive. His one uncle. His one uncle market, the uncle come back from foreign and take it.
Chaja.
You see the man when wait up when they sell ground food? Have big old property now, establishment.
See, the brick you refuse become the head cornerstone. Chaja. Me don't know about that.
And that the man that me I work for now, you know. And me control the ground. He said run the ground for me I'm going to get a percentage, so I hit me a work for you now. The
Okay.
ground. So my life I go set you now, you know. Because they say when you start from the ground,
You work your way up.
you work your way up and rich. Yeah.
Well, you work your way up and rich, and good luck to you.
How she? You know what?
Lord Jesus.
You know what? You know me see that girl up on the road rapidly, you know. I try to scam man. Dangerous. Well, she thinks she is the biggest con artist.
Good evening.
What you do over here? What you do over my friend yard? You know her?
Me no know if she know me, but me supposed to know her.
No.
You know me now. Him right, what you do ya? With cigarette behind your ears.
Oh, you do know her?
No, me just a look for the lightning and thunder, cause rain done falls. Me want to know what kind of miracle come in at the yard now.
Me?
No, baby love, not you.
Oh, at least you can't baby love though.
Term.
Huh?
Term.
Term.
What you say
What do
now?
you mean by term?
Terminology, not real life.
No, speak them big words. When me did in a class and I hear them word, me jump asleep. Me not really focus on that. Speak proper.
Papa, it's just a terminology. Me no want you, darling. Me no want you.
Oh.
And you not get me down to them neither.
Oh, I want to hear that. No, what she do? Because I didn't think she a an artist.
And she don't realize that the pig we raise, we raise the mother and the granny dead. She thinks that she come with new style that never invent before.
Backside, big word again. Me not understand what
You know, see the bag on her back. I put that out, you know.
Oh, she
No, sorry, that the big pack up and say she a big woman. Fight her sister want push me down. I look
Yeah,
it's
me
a
teach you
police
something.
in my phone.
Me teach you know something. Me not get no picnic now, but me know how to counsel picnic. Yet when you put a finger upon your father, your mother, or your granny, or anybody with older than you, whether younger than you too, bad blessing will follow you.
Tell her.
She's not my mom. She had at me.
You know,
Yes, and I mean raise you.
Listen good. When you put your finger upon who older than you or even younger than you, it doesn't matter who them be. Bad blessing will follow you.
Tell her.
You see, live good with people and good shall follow you. They always say, you shall give, but don't learn to receive. But if you want to give without no intent to receive, blessing will fall upon you. Teach you something. You see, only young girl, only if you see man and leave them alone. So if a man make you pack up and come out of your mother's house, you know, worthy. So what? And the man turn it down now, so you have to come back. So you learn. So when you not have on the front, yeah, so I'm not reach 18, only if you holy like a G,
Talk to her.
stand up like a soldier, and focus on your education.
Thank you.
Me not get none, because you're, I know that, I know your daughter, you adapt her.
No, me adapt her.
Alright, your adopted mother, me used to ramp with her at school and used to look at her them days, you know, but she hold up her head, right? And she would have breed out of school, because you know we didn't plan to breed her, but me never get
My
through.
mother? Hey.
Never get through, because she have her head on her body. Me drop out of school because me was a rude boy, them days there, but me learn my lesson say, rudeness no bring we go nowhere. So you see, only young girl, you have big A out there, you have big H out there, you have syphilis out there, you have that, you have
Big P out there.
what kind of big P?
Big P, the one that come with the belly full of arm and legs before time.
Oh, me!
No, the big P, big pregnancy. Me no want no pregnancy
pregnancy
before
is a
time
must,
neither.
but we don't talk about
Not
that.
before time.
Right. You see, when you live with your family, you have respect. Because you see, when you get your picnic, and the same thing, them are going to do you.
Tell her.
You see, anything you show to other people, them are going to do you. So you see, you have to apologize to her. Because she ended up to take you up and take care of you. She could have raised what she have and leave you alone. You could have in a wrong hand and then sell you. She never sell, you ever sell her out to man?
Sell what? I stop me, I try stop her from doing the wrong.
Right. What your problem make you do what you do? What drive you to do what you do?
Friend.
You see? This is the next thing again. It better you have your book as your friend. Me not saying if you have nobody to talk to, you know. But you have to know your limit. Everybody do need a friend. But do not have more than 3 friends. You keep one close and one as a random. Because if you don't have everybody close, one will get jealous. And they'll create a problem. Me them might say me chat too much because sometimes they say me chat too much. Even one woman when you're son, she love watch people place.
True.
Everything she have problem with. She have problem with people yard.
How
She have
people
problem
look.
with people head. She have problem with how people look.
Then clothes.
And then again, she not even would have said $1 can give people.
You know why?
Can
Because she
you
have
see-
a pot for pissing herself.
Me not really business with her with that. But you see, if me I go drop word from people, me I make sure me send them money. That is the most embarrassing thing to do. You see, when like all you know, me kind of look on you and say, hey, go fix up yourself, take out the earring, the man, this and that. You out school?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, how much?
17.
You know, think we go ask, backside, talk again. I want that in your mouth.
And that me a saying she want
I
come
want to listen to your mouth.
apologize.
See the eye? Let me teach you something. You see any woman with more than tongue like that, then taste the sachets. Then use it some girl, you know, me buck up one road and back road up one more. You're 17, you reach the age when we can talk about that. When she drop it on the sachets, oh God, me feel the world a come down.
Lord, bro.
Don't try that. Don't do that. Don't bore yourself. Don't bore your tongue. You're a nice young girl. Fix up yourself, man. Go to high school, get some work. Go to China, go pack bag. You will get work. You're a woman. Man, you know the woman get work more than man? You know that? Right. Because somebody boss them a pervert. From this, who know wear tight and no pum pum look fat. See them, yeah man, you're alright. You get the job. I don't know, AB from that. They come me go a bar, you know. Go buy rum, you know. I give one girl $5,000. I mean, order 5 drink of rum. Guess how much she give me back?
None.
But yeah, idiot. She give me back $9,000.
Yeah.
Because she don't know how to do math. And I'm glad he use the calculator. Because the calculator fool him. So you know what? Apologize to her. Go on in, have a nice fresh, take up a Bible, read Psalms 21. Me don't know what Psalms 21 mean, but I gotta tell me. Just read it. And John, you have any Bible where she wants to study?
Me want to hear what she said first because this one have more attitude than everything I want to push
Apologize
me down
to
a
her.
dirty.
Mommy, I'm sorry, I will never do it again.
Me don't like that
I
one.
don't believe it, you know. Because you know how me turn already. And if you did really sorry, you wouldn't come with your hair pull up, so cigarette behind your ears. You come for disrespect me, man. So you go smoking in my house again. So how cigarette there behind your ears and you come to apologize. So what change your mind? What clip your peacock wing? Because when you leave there, you're peacock. You and your sister fight and you're peacock. So what clip your wings so?
Nothing.
Nothing's like.
I have it in my yard, I don't have it on the outside.
Amen.
Oh!
Amen. And that me I tell some people. When you have love for your yard, you stay your yard with it. My woman have love and she go to the road, go there with her man, and the man breed him. Right? And I mean one go dash belly pant. So me just bounce it back over. You see, women, I mean, I'll be honest to you. You see, women, we are dog, you hear? But somebody with dogs know who to go after. You see, somebody with dogs, we don't eat rice. You hear? Only egg dogs and wolf dogs eat rice. You see, somebody with dogs, we go after chicken legs. We look for the legs, we look good. Because some of them girls come on the road, might look clean outside, but dirty inside. They always say, see me on the road and carry me home at 2 different things. Go on in. You apologize to her?
Yeah, but when I say accept it yet.
You change?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me tell you something here and now. You now send me to a graveyard and you now send me go to prison. Slip up one time. Say fair in the wrong tone. And roll 66. Go on. And apologize to your sister too. I mean, I know what head take you the other day.
I shower too. Because I can smell a lot of cum.
Jesus Christ.
Anyway, so like how you forgive her. You know, feel like you want to forgive, but you don't want to read ball it, you know, you're old, you know, just rock down the old, eh? You know what, something to tear up his shit. Eh?
Popeye,
Look good.
I thank you for the words of wisdom you displayed from a daughter.
Uh-huh.
Yes, because everything you
That's
said
why
to
you need
her,
a man in your life.
and she might listen to
You
you when
see,
she
when
not listen to me.
You see me now? If me there with you know, and Jimmy dead in the future, you know, we have me hand can work for you, baby.
Popeye, me no need no man that have to drink energy drink for manage me. You see me? My back strong. My body broad. And me strong. You become a suture every day. That's why man can't manage me. So you see, any man me take on, your back off a broad and your back off a strong and your back look too weak for manage this.
You see, any woman that mention body in a relationship, it's a no-no for me. Later.
All right, go on, go along.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for the word of wisdom.
Me no go shit pit.
All right, thank you for the word of wisdom. You can't manage a real woman like me. You can't manage the bun me with a girl. Go along. Hi you